What is up, A team? Welcome back. AuzSOME here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day. And today is the day that we've all been waiting for. I mean, well, tomorrow's the day we've all been waiting for. But I will say that with this that we weren't expecting here on Monday, I mean, I guess some of us were probably expecting Monday to have this announcement, but this has obviously caused a crazy upturn in the market for XRP. We went from 237 this morning all the way up to 257, 258, and here we are today. Now on the verge of the announcement for the launch of RLUSD. I think again we sort of talked this into fruition. I mean, we made a ton of lives about it, we made a ton of videos about it, and here we are, ready to rock and roll. And the chat is already popping, dude. It's this. You guys have been in here waiting for this, dude, and honestly, I couldn't be more excited for this. We got a bunch of people over here on TikTok. We got a bunch of people here on YouTube, and here we are, guys. What we've been waiting for, what we've been talking about for well over a couple weeks, what feels like a couple weeks now. But you know, let's actually look at the chart right now, because the charts look phenomenal. Obviously, we were down to earlier this morning. I think we were down to like 237 is where we started the day off with, and this thing with the announcement came roaring back, went all the way up to almost 258. Still struggling to get above this 382 level, which is about $2.50. RLUSD launching on your birthday. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, I wait no more except Pizza Man. Oh yeah, dude. So the biggest question coming through, obviously, is what is the price going to be? What is this going to do? You know, you got a lot of people that are jumping into XRP for the first time. You know, unfortunately, there's a lot of people that doubted this and doubt what's going to happen with XRP that are jumping in now. So this is going to be a crazy, interesting turn of events here coming up in the next couple of days. I don't know exactly what's going to happen to XRP price, right? We could all be excited. This is great news. This causes a lot of FOMO, fear of missing out on things. So people are going to jump in at these high prices. There's a lot of shorts out there. You got to think a lot of people have their positions out there, and you just got to be prepared for anything. You got to be prepared for this to come crashing back down. Again, maybe the expectations could be not the greatest expectations. Like, just prepare for it all. This is crypto. Anytime announcements like this get made, people's expectations don't always get met, and so just realize that too. This is just crazy time, man. I was honestly on one this morning, dude. I was so pumped up for what was happening in this space right now with this RLUSD announcement. Yeah, as you guys know, this actually came from the Ripple Twitter. I did make a video on this just to put it out there because I thought it was super important. So this did come from Ripple. This did get announced that tomorrow will be the official day for RLUSD. They didn't announce exactly when that was going to be, but we do know that it's coming tomorrow officially, and I couldn't be more excited. So with all that said, like I said, the chat is popping right now. If I miss some of your comments, I'm going to try to say hello to everyone if I can, but it's going to be really hard. We got roughly already opening up 3 minutes into the stream. We got 630 people in here watching. We got 184 over here on TikTok. We just want to say what's up to everyone. Tomorrow we're going to all-time highs. Dude, we'll see you at the top, right? We got Juan in the house here. We got Conk Trader, Nemo, James, Selmo Fudd, Rob. What's up, bud? We got Big Watch Dude in the house. We got Rob Got It, Seiko Hunt. It's good to see Seiko in the house here. Got Boomer Sumer. That guy coming in hot with the 5 gifted memberships already right off the top. Appreciate you, Terry. Thank you so much. If Terry gifted you guys a membership, please say thank you in the chat. That's awesome. Already donating to the A team here. We're getting bigger and bigger overnight, dude, in terms of the A team, and I couldn't be more excited and appreciative of everyone for that. So Diego, My Ultra Journey, what's up, bud? We're popping right now with that. Jacob Burrows, what's going on, dude? Good to see you. I'm gonna keep scrolling down here. Chameleon. Again, I don't get you guys all. Wes, good to see you. Dan, yeah, we're in for a treat today, guys. So I appreciate everyone joining in today. We got a lot to cover here just because of what's happening here with Ripple. There's going to be a lot of questions about what RLUSD is. Maybe new people coming into the chat here. So the question is, what RLUSD is? It's a stable coin, obviously. It's going to be on. It's Rippled. It's going to be the first regulated stable coin. And the best thing you could probably do is go over to Ripple right now and click on the news article that they actually put out here, because it gives a good explanation of what they're trying to do with RLUSD. This is probably one of the better, I guess you could say, articles that they put out here to help give you an explanation of what it is, what their intention, and exactly what it's going to be doing in the ecosystem. And so just reading what it's going to do in the ecosystem is exactly what we thought it was going to do, and that is that RLUSD has a chance to to basically I don't want to say it, but it has a chance to do really really well for XRP holders. And I think that with everything going around about the pricing of XRP, about where this could go, I honestly think the sky's the limit, dude. I mean, who knows, dude? This could go crazy, but at the same time, a lot of people believe it's baked in. I guess time will tell where this goes. So 10,000K XRP. All right. Where will they'll launch and what time? They've already announced that it's going to launch on Uphold, Bitso, MoonPay, Arch Chain. They got the Coin Mino. I don't even know what that is. But then they got Bitstamp, Mercado. Yeah, I think it's Bitstamp is also going to be there. It looks like it's going to be on the Ethereum blockchain as well, which is going to be through this launch. So there's a lot of places, but I did have one of the A-teamers sent me a message this morning. Making True Money sent me a cool little picture of really, this is pretty cool right here. He showed me here on TradingView. You can see, I mean, there's already a bunch of pre-listings ready for this. I mean, Capital.com, Kraken, OKX, CoinX, Upbit, so there's a lot of these already getting ready to rock and roll with their pairings. So I think this is on a global scale here. They did announce inside this that it was going to be on a global scale. So this is all across and I'm sure every exchange here is going to eventually have RLUSD. I'm sure Coinbase is going to have it. Binance is going to have it. Binance.us, you name it, dude. So yeah, that's where it's going to go. Is it going to go back to 240 or is it going up? It's going to be interesting to see where this plays out. Like I said, I mean, I honestly don't care. I mean, like I said, we've been buying this for so long that, I just think that it would be awesome to get it above this resistance that we're hitting here at 250. Like I said, we're bouncing to the 250 and we're hitting this resistance wall. We've been hitting it we've been getting rejected here like a lot. I mean, pretty much since we came back down, we've got it rejected on December 7th, December 8th, December 9th, or December 8th. And then we came back down. We got rejected again on the 13th, Friday the 13th. And then now here we are. We're still getting kind of rejected here at this level. Even though we got up to 258, we're still kind of getting rejected. This level is a tough level to get above. But once we break this level, sky's the limit. Like I said, I don't think there's going to be a lot of resistance up here. I think I don't know where the next levels are. We could probably look up and see where the XRP shorts are coming at, which again, we could actually probably tell looking at CoinGlass here where the shorts are. And again, this is just over trending on Binance. Yeah, I mean, so there's a lot of shorts coming in, dude, a ton of shorts. So you can see right here, look at this, dude. Just in the 4-hour chart, there's $5.39 million in shorts, and there's only 3.06 million in longs. So you can see there's a lot of people here who are shorting XRP. This is a moneymaker for a lot of people. But then on the 24-hour, the longs actually exceed that of the shorts. So what's crazy about this is people were shorting the market. Now it's going crazy. So now people are basically, some people are going to get wrecked on this. Some people are going to get hurt. But I know that a lot of these contracts expire. These shorts and longs expire. I think it's on December 27th is what I saw. So they still have time. They still have time. But some people could be cutting their losses right now. Some people could be hitting their shorts. Yeah, there's just a lot going on. You can see that the charts are moving, and on top of that, like let's point this out. I mean, Bitcoin's hitting all-time highs. Bitcoin's up to $107,000 per Bitcoin. This has just hit another all-time high. Right now, we're hitting another all-time high with Bitcoin. So, like, not only do you have Bitcoin hitting all-time highs, you have this announcement with Ripple coming out here. So you got a lot of money flowing into Bitcoin. You got a lot of money flowing into XRP. And then you got people that are obviously in between on leverage trades that are either hitting their longs or, losing out on their shorts, because you got a lot of people that are shorting Bitcoin. This is getting wild, guys. That's all I got to say. This next, what a time to be alive in crypto. What a time to be alive. We went through an accumulation period. So, like, I don't really care where this, all I know is that crypto is going up. My portfolio looks fantastic. And anyone that's new to crypto, this is an exciting time to be in crypto. You probably couldn't have picked a better time. This actually might even beat the last bull run that we were in terms of just excitement and everything going with it. So, yeah, it's just crazy. Juan, thank you so much for the $2 donation. What indicator is that for the price targets? Oh, this is just a Fibonacci right here that I have. Again, I've left it up here since we started doing this. Like I said, people will look at it and say, why do you have that up there? I just left it up there. But you can see this is well outside this is hitting upside the buy zone right here, right? When it gets above the 382, that's obviously a little bit riskier of a play. So we're just watching it. That's really what it comes down to. So yeah, appreciate the donation to the channel, dude. Awesome, beautiful day with my girl Pelosi. Oh gosh. But I hope you guys got hope you guys got your coffee ready, dude. We're gonna be in for a stream today, dude. So what do you think about XRP meme coin on the first ledger? I mean, it brings liquidity. This is gonna increase liquidity on that blockchain. That's all I know. So let's see here. I'm wondering what Ripple being wrapped in XRP is going to be doing for the price. That's a lot of us are wondering that too, Rob, right? We can anticipate that, like we can honestly anticipate that XRP is obviously going to get wrapped in RLUSD, or RLUSD is going to get wrapped in XRP, which obviously brings value to XRP, because anytime you're moving large amounts of money through Ripple, you're going to have it wrapped in XRP. So now you're going to have more money, institutional money coming through XRP. So again, we'll see. A lot of people thought that this price was baked in. They think that RLUSD price is already baked into this total. So people think that even getting above the $3 range is unrealistic. So, you got a lot of naysayers out there, and we'll see what happens, dude. Like I said, I'm here for it. I think we're all here for it. We've been waiting for this. And like I said, the big one is getting above this 250 mark right here. We get above this 250, dude, we will definitely probably reach new all-time highs. Utilities not baked in. I would agree, Adam. I agree with you. I don't think it is, but you have a lot of, there's articles dropped all yesterday and the day before about how it's baked in. I got a ton of comments on my YouTube videos about how it's baked in, and on TikTok, or people are saying that it's baked in. And I don't think so, dude. But yeah, XLM, Doge, all those, yeah, those are good. Do it be cut back, my opinion, 7 to 10% before the stablecoin actually releases. Yeah, we'll see what time it releases tomorrow. I think we have, they're probably going to release it first thing, I would assume. But maybe you'll hold off until the afternoon. So yeah, this is crazy. Look at that, dude. We're hitting this 248 to 250. This is a hard level to get above. I hope we don't get rejected here. If we get rejected here, we'll probably see a potential downturn. But like I said, it's a big fight right now. There's a lot of shorts coming in here in the last, look at the 12 hours. There's more shorts than longs. The last 4 hours, there's definitely almost 2 million more. But you get on the 24-hour marker, the longs actually exceed that of the shorts. So yeah, the volume's insane right now. The volume on this is just going through the roof, dude. We're pushing $84 billion in volume right now. Oh, that's Bitcoin. I was like, gosh, dang, that's not real. That can't be right. Yeah, we're pushing roughly 11 billion in 24-hour trade volume right now. So that's pretty wild, dude. That's jumped up a lot. Dude. Holy crap. Yeah, that's a lot. That's a lot right there. So yeah, we're going to continue to ride this out. Let's see here. Yeah, Dave, what's up, dude? It'll be instant to the US debt and technically money in the systems that transferred over at once. Newbies disclaimer: nobody knows what it will do. Yeah, I don't know what it's going to do, man. This is we've never experienced this before. This will be the first time that we have a stable coin hitting the market that's actually federally regulated. As you guys know, this will be the first time that we actually saw this. You know what I mean? So just realize that we don't know what's going on here. The New York State Department of Financial Services approved this, so it's it's got regulated. It's going to get regulated. They're going to go through an independent audit. We can even go through this right now. So like it says right here, one of the great things about this is that RLUSD token is fully backed by US dollar deposits, US government bonds, and cash equivalents. It's designed to ensure stability, reliability, and liquidity. So there's a lot that's going to be doing this. Let me get my head out of the way so you guys can read that a little bit. Actually, I'll do this. There we go. So there's a lot going on with this. It says early on, Ripple made a deliberate choice to launch our stablecoin under the New York Department of Financial Services Limited Purpose Trust Company Charter, widely regarded as the premier regulatory standard worldwide. As the U.S. moves towards clearer regulation, we expect to see greater adoption of stablecoins like RLUSD, which offer real utility and are backed by years of trust and expertise in the industry. That is giant right there. That statement alone right there, that is so true. USDT is not like this. USDC is not like this. Any of the stable coins that are out there are not like this. So this is the first time that we actually see this. This will be the first time that we actually get to use an asset that is basically has that regulatory standard. So they did the right thing, man. I think waiting for them to get that is insane. It says right here. So a lot of people are asking, like, what is RLUSD going to be used for? It says RLUSD is ideal for financial use cases and allows institutions meaning banks, big companies, really anything and anyone out there that wants to use it on a large scale. It says it will help facilitate instant settlement of cross-border payments, which we already know. That's just like SWIFT right now. Everyone compares Ripple to SWIFT and so on and so forth. That's really what it is. It says access liquidity for basically remittance and treasury operations. So it's just basically adding, I mean, if you're backing it one-to-one, it adds another source of liquidity to a pool of whatever you want it used for, whether that's through a DAO, whether that's through, liquidity on chain, whether that's at a exchange like Coinbase. I mean, there's a lot of things you could use it for. It says it's seamlessly integrated with decentralized finance, which we already know. That's a big thing, is that this can be moved across blockchains. So that's great. It's a reliability, bridges between traditional fiat currency and the crypto system. So again, trading fiat for RLUSD and be able to then seamlessly move it across decentralized finance protocols is exactly what we're trying to do, which again helps create on-ramping and off-ramping both in private sector, public sector, and here in the crypto space. And it says provide collateralization for trading tokenized real-world assets, meaning that you can actually then go use RLU. Their goal is to go take RLUSD and potentially buy commodity securities, treasures on chain, maybe even purchase a house with RLUSD. Again, it says trading tokenized real world assets. So think of a real world asset, your car, your house, really anything out there that you think is real world. You could actually use this as collateralization against that. I mean, technically, if this is actually if this is regulated to that extent, you could. I mean, if you actually wanted to move it over to RLUSD and then use that as collateralization to your house, you could probably do that. I mean, you could probably deem this a real world asset and go from there. So, SoftBank CEO, yeah, right there announces $100 billion. But I did read that, dude. It was with Bitcoin, but yeah, they are connected to Ripple. And as you guys know, there was actually on the what's his name? Well, Michael Saylor was on Patrick Bet-David podcast a couple days ago, and they were talking about this and about how the Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse met with Trump at in Mar-a-Lago, and he asked like, "Hey, what does that do for crypto? And does it change your mind about investing in something like Ripple?" And he didn't, Michael Saylor didn't actually say he was going to, but he just basically said that what Ripple has been able to do in this space has been great for crypto. So, I mean, that's positive right there. So let's see here. Jake Hopkins, thanks so much. That knowledge is, dude, thank you so much for the $2 donation. Yeah, this is incredible stuff, man. It gets me all excited. I think we all get excited for this, right? I mean, a lot of us have been investing in XRP for 7 years. Some people on here for 7 years. I've been in it for 3. This is what we've been. I mean, honestly, what we've been waiting for. And again, we're going to continue to battle this this level right here at this 250 marker. I really hope we get through it, man. I do, because I think that we're gonna see some crazy stuff coming out here. So, wow, Ripple payment has served 70 billion in payment volume and counting as a near global coverage with 90 plus payment markets. Dude, that's crazy. It says RLUSD is available on both the XRP ledger. So again, if you guys have a ledger, you'll be able to use the RLUSD stablecoin, so you can move your Bitcoin and stuff into an RLUSD, so you could actually take profits on your ledger if you wanted to. So I was actually looking at it on my ledger right here. You can take a look right here. I brought it out today because I wanted to see if it was on there. And yeah, we're going to be able to use this tomorrow. And you could probably transfer your stuff right over to the ledger starting tomorrow. So that's awesome right there. It's also going to be on the Ethereum blockchain, which allows flexibility and scalability. So that blockchain is not going to be the only blockchain. I guarantee you that you're going to have Cardano working with this. You're going to have, I mean, obviously Tron came out and said they want to work with it, but you're probably going to have almost every single blockchain out there wanting RLUSD on there, because then it just allows you to move it over. And if it were me, because I'm not a big fan of stablecoins, I don't like USDT. I told you guys my story with USDT and how I kind of was like, holy crap. And then I'm not a big fan of USDC either. So now this might be the first time where I feel comfortable putting my money into a regulated stablecoin. I think a lot of people will feel that way. So Now we'll be able to go check their audit books. They're going to be putting out an independent audit every quarter, so people will be able to go back and actually see where that money is going, see how it's fed, see how it's backed. And dude, you couldn't ask for a better way to do this. I think a lot of us have been waiting for, like I said, a lot of us have been waiting for this to happen for quite some time. So yeah, appreciate the donation, John. We got about roughly 1,537 people in here watching. Make sure you guys hit that like button. And again, if anyone's here, I think I probably have to put subscriber mode on because I can't read the chats. It's too crazy, dude. I totally forgot to do that, by the way. So sorry for anyone that I had to put the comments on. It's getting a little too nuts. Do you think Bitcoin's going to go back down? I mean, yeah, it's going to probably recover to some degree, but Bitcoin is literally ripping right now. It's reaching all-time highs, 107,407 at the time of this live stream right now. So you got a lot of things going on in crypto. I mean, even Ethereum's actually doing really, really good. It broke the 4,000 marker again, sitting up $89 on the day, which is pretty damn good. So yeah, it's getting crazy, dude. You got H bars bouncing back. The H bar was down a little bit. That's starting to bounce back a little bit today as well. So yeah, pretty crazy news, guys. Let's see if I can get through some of the chat here. Trav, thanks so much for gifting 10 more memberships to the A team. Again, if anyone got gifted a membership by Trav, please say thank you to him. Thank you very much. We're, like I said, growing pretty rapidly with the memberships here, and I couldn't be more thankful for it. So just appreciate everyone showing up and being here for and hanging out on this live today at 10 o'clock. So RLUSD is the car, XRP is the gas. You need the gas to move the car. Well, yeah, you got to move it across. I would agree, Anthony. I would agree. Yeah, we're all here. You're not showing on TikTok. Am I not showing on TikTok right now? Oh, we have 260 people right now. I don't know if I'm showing up or not. If they move to TikTok, what are you gonna do? I'll just be over here on. I'll be over here. You can go to my YouTube channel. Go right over here. Click on my YouTube. That's where I'll be. So 18 strong. What's the website? Is that article? Just go to the. You can go right here on the Ripple X account, and then they have this article right here. You can click on it. It tells you everything you need to know about it. So yeah, click on that and go from there. So yeah, and right now what's cool is that it says Rajan and Montgomery joined the ranks. So these are the former governor of the Reserve Bank of India, and he's the former of the Federal Reserves of Boston. So his name is Kenneth Montgomery, and then you got I can't say his name. Rajan, I think his name is something like that. But they are going to be sitting on the board for this. So they're a part of the board. There's an executive board for this stablecoin, and they'll be on there. So there's an advisory board for Ripple on this whole deal. And that's really good to see. It says RLUSD sets the standard for stablecoins, combining innovative functionality with the regulatory rigor and credibility of the New York Department of Financial Services issued New York Limited Purpose Trust Company. I mean, this is dude. This is crazy. This is awesome. I don't know what else to say besides I'm just like super excited about this whole damn thing. Sebastian, thanks for becoming a member of the channel. You're officially now a member of the A team, and I appreciate your membership a ton, dude. Thank you very, very much. Hey, Austin, don't forget the impact it'll have on ETH network. Yeah, it's going to have a massive effect. It's going to do great for ETH as well. So, I mean, I think any of these blockchains that are going to use, I think a lot of people are going to move over to this. You can see Europe has already basically delisted Tether across the board. So that's kind of crazy. Austin, didn't know if you knew, but you can buy crypto on Cash App. Oh, that's badass. I didn't know that. Yeah, Big Watch, thanks so much for that. And Selmo, I didn't know that at all, dude. Do Coinbase fees reflect an average cost per coin? Yeah, I think they do. Brandon. So like if you went in and you bought something on Coinbase, it would reflect that way. When anything happened to USDT when RLC gets launched, it's probably already on the verge, dude. I mean, let's go back and actually take a look and see if it's depegging a little bit. It's actually hanging in there. USDC is not looking too hot. I mean, it's come down 0.01, but it's been having a hard time keeping up. This will be interesting to watch. But again, a collapse of Tether would not be good for crypto. There's a lot of people that have money in Tether, have a lot of money in USDC. Like that's not what I'm rooting. I don't want any of that. If something were to happen to Tether because there's just so much money involved with it, it would be catastrophic for crypto. So like I'm not sitting here saying that like RLUSD is going to come in and replace these things. I'm just saying that a lot of people, especially institutions, especially large, people who are traded on the NASDAQ, large companies who they can't just move large sums of money without it being announced and or regulated to some degree, are now going to be able to use this as a lot of this is backed by, like they said, cash bonds, and it's under some kind of scrutiny. So that's what you want to see. It's under some form of regulation. Why hasn't the creator of Bitcoin come out? I don't think he wants to, dude. I don't think he ever will. Himself confirms Bitcoin has been a successful experiment, but not when it comes to payments. Yeah, I would agree. I mean, Bitcoin's not the easiest thing. I mean, even look how long it takes you to get to your ledger, right? A lot of you transferred your Bitcoin to your ledger. It could take like 10 minutes to get it transferred to your ledger. When you transfer XRP to there, it's fast. It takes like a second, not even that probably. Any idea with XLM mirrored XRP pump? I can't imagine RSD would make XLM pump. It's identical. Yeah, I think it's just they're obviously very similar, but you can see XLM doing a good job. It's still a little bit down. HBAR's down over the day, while XRPs continue to pump. As you guys know, there's a lot of money that's going into Bitcoin, and when money goes into Bitcoin, that means that a lot of altcoins get left behind. And so right now, you got a ton of money going into Bitcoin, and that's why a lot of these altcoins are down. That's why a lot of these altcoins are struggling. Why a lot of them were in the red. I think XRP's announcement obviously helped out a lot of these. What do you think of Ripple's choice of exchanges to start LSD on? I mean, the first one is the largest exchange is right here with where is it at? Is Bybit, right? I think Uphold. I think it's interesting. I'll tell you that. Bitstamp, Bitso, they're interesting. I think to start off with, but I don't know. They said RLUSD go to 1200. Thought it was stable. Yeah, it's stable. It's not going to go to 1200. There's no way. It's Summers. Thanks so much for the super chat or the membership chat, dude. Yo. What's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Appreciate that, dude. What's good, everyone? Yeah, what's going on, dude? A-team from here to the moon. I know people would want to sell, but hold it. I think there's a lot of people out here selling, but it's okay. That's part of crypto. People have a lot of plays in this. They're obviously putting some shorts in, they're putting some longs in, and we're going to continue to ride this. And I was shocked to open up my freaking. I was shocked to open up Coinbase and see that the price is at 258. I was like, holy crap, dude. They haven't announced exactly when it's going to launch field, but we're gonna be here tomorrow, dude, live, ready to rock and roll. Hopefully, it launches on stream, but it might be before streaming. They might make an announcement. They might make the announcement like they did yesterday, like they did today, which was about 2 hours ago, which put it about 8 o'clock. So 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time is when they made the announcement. So yeah, we'll see. It could probably come around the same time tomorrow, I would assume. We're already starting to see liquidity getting put onto these I want to hear you tell us more news for real. Let's go. All right, dude. All right, Adam. What's your income for socials this month? What's your income from socials this month? Oh, you want me to share? Oh, how much I made? Is that what you're asking me? How much I made on socials? Let's go. Never thought I would hear a stupid. Stupid. You're wild, big A. Huge moves. Yeah, this is awesome, dude. Honestly, I couldn't be more excited. What will the use of RLSD now drive the price? That's the goal, chasing a point. The goal is for RLUSD to help drive XRP, right? You put more money through the ledger, you have to wrap it in XRP, which means that it has to be a 1-for-1 pairing, just like we see on all blockchains out there. And by doing that, you're going to increase the value of XRP. And yes, it's going to come out the other end and it's going to unwrap with XRP, but then there's going to be more money flowing in. So although we'll just say $1 billion flows in today, and then obviously that's going to flow out, but you're going to have more money coming in. So the more transactions you have, the more XRP is used to actually make this happen. So that's the goal behind it. And we talked about the market cap and how this is viewed as a commodity. And so it is a supply and demand thing. If there's more demand for using XRP, so the whole goal is to use XRP for people to use Ledger, right? They want people to actually use Ripple to move their money across the network. And so by using that, you're moving money into RLUSD, and then you're moving it across the Ripple network. When you move it across the Ripple network, you're using XRP as the coin to move it across the network. So you're bringing money into XRP, just like we would if you went over and launched a crap coin on Ethereum, right? That liquidity becomes Ethereum's liquidity. Ethereum's then used to move it across. Same thing. Now we're talking about institutional money, just moving it from point A to point B. We're not talking about putting in some crap coin. We're literally just saying, hey, we want to move it from, California, Los Angeles, California to, Stockholm, Sweden, and that we want to transfer that money as soon as possible. Dubai is based license. Oh, okay, I did not know that. Have you guys seen? I have not seen that. You give USDC a hard time for no reason. It's not going anywhere. It doesn't really usually. Well, I mean, I'm giving it a hard time. I'm just saying it's not. It has no regulation either, and that they never done a third person audit. So that's the only reason. But they Circle will become a publicly traded company this year, most likely. They've already came out and announced that they're going to be doing an IPO this year, and I think USDC is here to stay. I just hope that they take the steps that RLUSD did, so that now we can have RLUSD is setting the standard now, and I hope that USDC follows. I'm watching the show, drinking coffee, and now making money. Hell yeah, dude! I think a lot of people are watching these charts go up, just excited about what it's doing right now, for sure. Can UEC RLUXP get XRP to cold wallet? Yes. You can use RLC to get XRP to cold wallet. You could do that. Yeah, you could do it either way. 18 best community. I appreciate you, Seiko. In your opinion, is it better to put crypto in a cold wallet or a ledger? Yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. Jake Hopkins, thanks so much for the $10 donation. So how do I get started in the swing trading? And how do I get stop losses? What is considered small risk? You start with Coinbase, man. I mean, that's where I trade on Coinbase. I use Coinbase Advanced, and just start with small amounts, man. The cool thing is you can only leverage trade, 9 to 5, Monday through Friday, pretty much. So just start off small, start off with the top 100 cryptos, and work your way there. So yeah, that's really what you got to do. Just pay attention to the charts, and you'll be good. But you can see XRP is coming down now. Now it's backed up to 4. Look at that, dude. 46 is down to 246 right now. So it's definitely hit that resistance again. I don't know what's going to happen here, but the news, obviously there's a lot of news out here. Have you bought RLUSD on Uniswap? I have not. Is that what I have not bought it, dude? It's probably, if there's RLUSD on Uniswap, it's probably some fake RLUSD. So I wouldn't actually work with that contract address if I'm going to be honest. So I bought XRP for 41, only 1,500 locked away in a wallet. Okay, that's good though, dude. Coinbase restricted my movement to non-custodial wallets. That's kind of crazy. Yeah, they shouldn't be. I just transferred some money to my ledger this morning, so it worked out fine. Awesome. Would you mind showing us the example of what a short is and explaining it a bit? So well, I mean, I'd have to pull up my account, but basically what you're doing is you're going in and you're going to set I mean, I can pull it up on Coinbase. It's easier if I actually had, you could set up a short on here if you wanted to pull out the charts and actually you could graph it out right here. But if you want to go into your Coinbase, all you got to do is just, there's a long and there's a short, and you just literally, you'll say short, you put it in there and you say what the price is, where the price is at. And then, you're putting a leverage on there for where the price could be. You buy a contract for it. And it's pretty simple if you actually go into your Coinbase and do it. But yeah, another time I could do that. New retail was arrived. Yeah, there's a lot of retail investors coming in on this. This is probably why a lot of this chart has gone up. I mean, we're sitting at roughly $2.45. Obviously, this has come down. You have a lot of people. You have a lot of these shorts hitting right now. So let's go back to where was it? Right here. Let's refresh this. Let's see where the shorts are here. Yeah, the shorts over the hour. I mean, yeah, the long. Actually, there's more longs coming in now. Yeah, the 4-hour chart's not looking too hot for shorts, but yeah, this is pretty crazy looking right now. You can see the price has come back down to about right here, 245. But that's a big candle. That's a big rip right there. So we'll be going into another 4-hour here. Right around noon. So expect around noon we'll be seeing some more action coming off this, and here in about an hour. So you can see that right there. Look at this, dude. 8 o'clock hit. This thing went ripping up to 258. Now it's come back down. And here we back are about 245. So but you have to fill that gap when you have a big rip like that. That's not. It'll probably come back down halfway, probably to 245, 244. And fill this gap right here, and then hopefully we then build up off of that. So we'll see what happens. Coinbase is showing RLSD at 152. Yeah, I don't know if that's right. I bought RLSD an hour ago, and it's already up $1. Oh my god, F Joe, you guys are wild, dude. You guys are wild. Go back to go back down $1. No, you want XRP to go back down. Why still not moving? I think a lot of money is moving into. So I said this. A lot of money moves into Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin's still hitting its all-time highs right now. Look at this, dude. This thing is still ripping right now. Hit its all-time high of what is that? 107,800. So $107,800 is its all-time high, and this thing is still going up. A 3% increase right now is crazy. This thing is on an absolute sender. So you got a lot of money that is leaving these altcoins and going into Bitcoin. People are buying this right now. People are putting leverage trades in. They're moving their money out of altcoins to put it into leverage, to put into longs and shorts or whatever they got going on. We could probably go, let's take a look at Bitcoin right now. See what Bitcoin's looking like. Yeah, look at that, dude. 31 just here on right here. It's showing $132 million in shorts in the next 24 hours. So there's this, like, Bitcoin is gonna. There's only 28 million in longs, 132 million in shorts. Even the short term on the 12-hour, you got 37 million. The holy crap, the 4 hours 31 million, and the 1 hour is sitting about 4 million. And again, this is just Binance right now. So we're just looking at Binance. We're not looking at everything else. So yeah, look at this, dude. Holy crap. Look at the futures trading just on these alone. We got Binance, 36 million in shorts. You got HTX. Yeah, you got HTX right here sitting at 48 million in shorts. I mean, there's a lot of money on shorts right now, dude. BitMEX is at 10 million in shorts to only, yeah, look at the longs though, 889 million in longs. Yeah, the longs are doing really well. I think that shorts have a chance to actually, that's in 24 hours. Look at the volume right there, dude. That's insane. 29.01 billion in Trinity. That's volume. Yeah, gosh, dang, dude. The shorts are looking a little rough compared to the longs. I mean, the longs are looking a little rough compared to the shorts on some of these. Look at that 24-hour long liquidation versus short liquidation. So shorts are getting a little bit wrecked is really what that looks like. Shorts are getting absolutely demolished right now. It's a great sign that many of the altcoins have gone up with BTC. Yeah, definitely. Ike, thanks so much for the $2.50 ceiling. Make it easy for the whales to short. Yeah, it seems like we're getting hit pretty hard right there. Honestly, it's pretty crazy. Austin, what point does a bull flag or a pennant turn into a downtrend? We'll have to sort of see. I don't think that we're even there when you start to create lower lows. I honestly think a lot of people are buying into Bitcoin, not even knowing about XRP. I think this will be a mistake in the long run. We'll see, dude. Shorts and longs are leverage trades, gambling on the short term direction of crypto. They usually expire each month. Yeah, I think the 27th. I think if I had to remember, I think I went back and looked. I think it's the 27th is when the contracts, like a lot of the contracts on Bitcoin, expire. I think it's on the 27th. At least on Coinbase, it's the 27th. I know that. But let's go back and look at XRP based off of. Yeah, you can see like right here on Binance, it's 236 to 240 in the long liquidation versus short. So yeah, Bybit has the most. Wow, pretty crazy. So yeah, the chart's going to continue to run. I mean, this is going to continue to ride out. XRP's news. We'll hopefully we sit around this 245 range for a bit. This has been a good level for us around this 245, 241. And so I hope that we continue to build this out, and then we continue to have. Look at that, dude. We've actually decreased this volume. This volume was sitting high. Let's see what that volume was. Yeah, that volume was sitting pretty good. So we're sitting about roughly 17.91 million. This one is sitting about 9 million. So if it gets past this level again, we get back up here. I think we're slowly gonna. I hope that we slowly just rip this away. But there's too much shorts going in right now, dude. There's too many shorts getting hit. If everything goes right for XRP, what do you think will be in 10 years? I think we're gonna be in for the run, dude. We're gonna be chasing hard, dude. We're gonna be doing well in the next 10 years. I mean, I think with just crypto getting regulation, getting some guardrails, there's just a lot going for crypto in general. So yeah, not really even worried about it. So here you go. Here's Brad Garlandhouse actually just put this up here. You can see right here. It says an enterprise grade stablecoin for everyone. Ripple USD drops tomorrow. Here's all the things where it drops on. And yeah, that's pretty exciting. I mean, so now you have Brad coming out here and actually confirming that. So yeah, looks good. Bro, we got hammered at the two. Yeah, we got hammered off at 258. Yeah, I would agree, Max Mug. I would agree with you on that. We said 10 years, 8 years ago. I know. I feel like it's been forever, dude. Everything else is up except XRP. You don't like XRP. XRP is doing all right. I mean, there's a lot of money that pumped into XRP, dude. This is like a massive. There's just people invest in these things during FOMO, right? They put money into these things waiting for this to happen, and then look at it. You got this God candle going from 237 all the way up to 250. What was that? What was that? So if you got in down here last night, this thing dropped all the way to 234. So if you're putting in a trade at 234 down here, and this thing goes all the way up here, I mean, you're making a 10% return. So let's just say that people out there, they put $100,000 in, or they're doing some form of leverage trading. You don't think that they're going to go and cash out on that? You got to think this is you can exit your positions at any time, right? You can go do a leverage trade, and you could sell your position at any time. There's nothing saying that you can't sell your position beforehand, right? So you got these people who put these leverage trades in, and now they're selling. So you got to think that actually brings money back in too. So it's not just shorts that are shorting the market. It's there's people out there that are selling their leverage trades on this too. They go and they put they do a $200 leverage trade at 10. That puts they're making so much money off this going up 10%. So, and then you got to think they're going to sell their positions on that, and then they're going to reestablish a new position. So what happens? That's the game. They put it down here, it goes up 10%. They're waiting, then they sell in anticipation this is going to drop back down. They do another buy order down here at 245, or maybe they're putting one down here at 240 because since this is where a lot of the volume is. So they put another buy order, waiting for this to come back down, and they rinse and repeat. So this will be a with this launching tomorrow. This is going to be a very crazy price. This is going to be some crazy price action. That's for sure. 273 likes, 1,800 people watching. Yeah, definitely hit that like button if you can. Appreciate that a ton. We got roughly 1,876 people over here on YouTube watching. We got about 250 people over here on TikTok. So yeah, make sure you guys hit that like button. Appreciate you guys a ton. It's just making a 50% retracement before the next leg up. I mean, yeah, what is that? What has it dropped? So since the high of 258, we come back down 5%. So I mean, again, if you're doing some kind of day trade or swing trade on this, I mean, this is money making right now for a lot of people. We're talking, some people are making millions of dollars off these swing trades. Little peons like you and I that are putting $1,000, $10,000, $20,000. We're making like, $300,000, $400,000, $600,000. These people are making millions. So just realize that. And so that's why these large amounts of this drastic change right here, I expected this. This is not, I expect as soon as the news came out, I'll say, dude, we're going to be on a God candle, and then people are going to start selling. This is how it works. Don't forget about the people watching on X. Andrew, yes, you're right. Don't forget about people watching on X. I appreciate you guys watching over on X over there. We got about 128 people on X watching. Thank you for reminding me, Andrew. I pulled up the thing here. It doesn't actually, I just looked at the YouTube version, but thank you so much for reminding me. I appreciate everyone on X watching as well. Vicenzo, Vin, thank you so much for the $2. ETH is ready for a breakout to 4. Yeah, ETH is looking good too. As you guys can see right here, ETH is on an absolute tear as well. We're reaching we might reach all-time highs for ETH too, dude. To tell you the truth, we might be up there, right? All-time highs were roughly, when was all-time highs? Was that roughly 4? Yeah, dude, we might. No, that's not right. Is that right? That's not right. Yeah, right here. I've dropped it out here. It's roughly about 4,866. So yeah, dude, it'd be crazy if we actually get back up to that pricing. So yeah, ETH is looking good. XRP is looking good. I mean, H bar's come back. H bar hit down to the 27 range last night, and that's starting to come back. So yeah, we're looking pretty good overall. And when you still pull back, like when in doubt, zoom out. Look at XRP, dude. Like this is a day chart for XRP. I don't know how you don't feel bullish about this, regardless of whatever anyone else feels. Like this is insane. This is insane. So yes, exciting news, guys. I honestly don't know what to say. I don't know what to say anymore, other than here we are, dude, ready to rock and roll. I got scammed for the first time today. Remember, everyone, it's good to be true. Then it's probably not too. Yeah. Money, monkeying around. Yeah. Be careful of the scams out there. There's so many scams out there, guys. So many scams. It's insane. Even clicking into this video, there's a bunch of people out there scamming people with the Ripple stuff. Just please don't listen to people. Don't, I'll never DM you. I'll never send you a message unless you send it to me first when we talk. Like, so yeah, I know there's a lot of people out there on TikTok now that are posing as me. There's people on YouTube and on X, and just realize that like that's just some craziness out there. Trump's kids just put a healthy investment in Chainlink and Aave. They ride on ETH Ledger. Yeah, Chainlink's doing really well. Do you know who Alex Cobb is? What happened to him? I did not know who that is. Brad is going to double my XRP. Let's go. He's going to double your XRP. You send him one XRP, he'll give you 2. Is that the deal? So here we again, XRP hitting this level again. Let's zoom in on the 4-hour chart. So 4-hour chart's looking still pretty good. Let's look at the let me click back here. Look at that. Look at this, dude. The 4-hour chart's looking really good. Let's look at the 12-hour chart. 12-hour chart's looking good. And the day chart's actually kind of starting to break out. I mean, look at that. That's the first time since since right around the 8th of December. So we're talking 8 days ago was when last time the indicator was actually looking positive. We were above the liquidation side. So or above the sells, right? Our buy pressure was above the sell pressure, and now we're back finally. Our buy pressure is above the sell pressure here on today for the day chart. Our hour chart's looking good. Our 4-hour chart's obviously looking good. 12, everything's looking pretty positive, but based off this pump right here. So, the goal is to get back up to this price. So I think that we could probably get back up here. I don't know where it's going to go, but I mean, it would be nice to get back up to this 290 range. Don't click links. Yeah, definitely don't click links. I just do basic buy and sell, store and hard wallet. Yeah, that's what a lot of people do. They'll buy and they'll sell, and that's pretty much all they'll do. So yeah. Okay, you got some new stuff dropping. All right. Do you think the exchanges will be able to cope with the big sell-offs? Yeah, I think so. I mean, I think that some will probably pause if there's big sell-offs. I think some will probably pause like they normally do to catch up. Also, what are your thoughts on what crypto will do with Crenshaw gets reelected? Crenshaw. Who's Crenshaw? Do I not know who Crenshaw is? Should I know who Crenshaw is? Awesome, Austin. What is your PC setup specs? Well, I just got one. I got 2 monitors right here. I got my phone, and then I just got a laptop, dude. I just got a Mac laptop that I've had for a long time. Like I think it's like 3 years old. The thing runs awesome. And then I just got my camera over here, and I got my mic, my Shure mic, and that's pretty much it for a setup. My net worth depends on Joel Katz. I finally figured out how to report those XRP ads. You have to hit you got to hit the info fund. Yeah, definitely report those things. Those are wild, dude. I'm sorry you guys even have to deal with that. That's kind of crazy to me. That's what we're dealing with here. Did Chainlink join XRP? I don't think so. Did you mean by exchanges pausing? What do you mean by exchange? Well, sometimes when they get overloaded, just like you saw with Robinhood, right? When the whole the GME or the GameStop thing happened, they got overloaded with sells and buys. They had to pause because there was just too much traffic. So yeah, that sometimes that can happen in a event, right? A buying event or a selling event, or if crypto gets too crazy, sometimes they pause these things. So yeah, we're getting close to that time when meme token developers will tell you their wallet got hacked and hackers sold 300,000 in tokens, not the developer. Dude, I think you have a fake profile. I got a lot, Raul. It's kind of crazy. What's XRP's level of support? Well, I mean, we're trying to break through. Right now, we're hitting resistance at this 250. So, I mean, we're definitely hitting some major resistance right here at 250. You can see, I'll just draw it, which again is right at this line right here. So that's the line of that's the resistance we're hitting right there at that 250 mark. But then again, I think for levels of support, we're going to come back down. I think our next level of support, we're obviously getting this level of support right here. We're building a massive level of support at the 240 range, which you can see right here, where a lot of this is actually hitting up. So 240 is like a good level of support that we've been doing really well over the last couple weeks. And then after that, it's right around the 190, which we've had some good support down here at the 190. And then after that, we're definitely down here at the 144 range. I rent. Yeah, I could rent that for sure. So I meant chain link to HBAR. I don't know about anything. I don't really know a whole lot about that. In layman, I'm a layman, have a accounting and finance degree. I've learned more watching you in 2 weeks, to be honest, than 5 years I studied. Damn, Kareem Abdul, that's awesome. That's crazy. You have an accounting and a finance degree. That's crazy, bro. But that's awesome. I'm glad you learned a lot, dude. That's cool. I appreciate that. What's up, Wadi? What's going on, dude? Voyager filed bankruptcy. Be careful. Yeah, Voyager's been on one, dude. But that's how a lot of these exchanges are. They'll do really well here in the bull run, and then when it comes to the bear market, that's when you got to really, really be careful. But yeah, I appreciate that, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. What's cool about it, bro? This is the time that people stackers claims they fell. You guys are wild, dude. I love my Tangem. Yeah, Tangem, dude. It's funny. You guys been talking about Tangem. My phone must be listening because I got so many Tangem ads. It was insane. Are we selling on hype tomorrow and buying back and later? You could trade, right? If that's the game you want to play, yeah, you could do it. I mean, there's a lot of people doing it right now. Here we go. XRP starting to climb back up to 247. So we'll see if these things come through. Just got my tracking number for my ledger. All right, yeah, that's awesome, dude. Ondo's legit. Yeah, it's doing well. It's doing well. You don't say. Thanks for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel, and I appreciate that a ton. Thank you very much. Any idea why Coinbase is going to be? Any idea why Coinbase isn't going to be used on Coinbase? What do you mean, Chloe? What do you mean? What are we saying? Good question. AMD. Are you gonna buy AMD? Are you buying AMD SV Atlas? How's the family doing, Austin? Rita Burrito, everything's good, man. Everything's gold. We're sitting here pretty, man. I couldn't be more excited about everything transpiring. Like I said, it's a lot easier if you are been sitting on if you've been sitting on XRP for a long time. This just makes it great. This just makes it awesome. Not having a ledger is making me nervous. Yeah, there's so many out there. Like I said, I use Ledger, but other people are using Tangem. Other people use a lot of other wallets. So yeah, it's really up to you and your preference. Christopher, thanks so much for becoming a member of the channel. You're officially now a member of the A team. Appreciate you guys a ton for all the memberships you guys are dropping. Bro, the Republicans have presidency in the House and the Senate. It does not matter who got reelected. Crypto is here, and it's here to stay, George. We're ready to rock and roll this year. This 2025 is going to be nuts, dude. Not only do we have Wednesday coming up here, as you guys know, Wednesday, we're going to have the FOMC meeting. Good. There's just so many positive things coming out. We got the launch of RLUSD tomorrow. I don't mean to get too excited here. I usually don't. This is probably the most excited you'll probably see me. I usually don't express too much excitement like that. But I mean, what I'm excited for is RLUSD is going to be here tomorrow. It's going to launch. We're going to see how this plays out. Then on Wednesday, we're going to have the FOMC meeting. Let's not forget that we have the FOMC meeting on Wednesday, which is going to be, a 25% rate cut. Most likely 90% think that a rate cut's coming on Wednesday at 25 basis points, which will reduce interest rates, which is what we want to see. So not only is that super bullish, RLUSD is bullish. We have Bitcoin hitting right here at 170,000. We got MicroStrategies that is now in the NASDAQ 100. We got Mara, who's obviously one of the largest mining companies in the world for Bitcoin, is now going to be listed in the NASDAQ 100. So, I mean, we got a lot of positive things coming out here. On top of that, let's go down the list of things here that we got for Ripple. We got their court hearing on January 15th. It's probably going to be extended into February for the new administration, like Paul Atkins and David Sachs, to make a decision as to what they're going to do. Most likely, they're going to rule in favor of Ripple, and it's going to go bye bye. On top of that, you got a potential listing for ETF coming up here for Ripple in 2025. I think an ETF is going to hit the market by Q1 of 2025. I mean, I'm probably thinking January, February, somewhere in that ballpark. In addition to that, if it gets extended to February, we're probably going to have it listed after the ruling for, I just want to make that sure, ETF is going to get listed after the hearing in February. On top of that, we have an IPO. Most likely, Ripple will come out with an IPO. We're going to obviously have a public traded company, which will be probably one of the largest IPOs launched in my lifetime. Outside of, obviously Facebook was a big one. There's a couple other ones that got launched in my lifetime when I was able to actually purchase money or purchase stocks as a person, as not as a kid. But yeah, there's just so much. I mean, gosh, dude, it's nuts, dude. Yeah. No, I think that they actually came out and said Mara is going to be added to the net. I think Mara is also going to be added to it. I think I thought they said it was going to come into the top as well. Maybe I misread, but yeah, I did see that was going to be yeah. So right here, Saylor expects Mara to be the next Bitcoin firm to join the 100. So this is where I got it from. So we're hoping that this actually happens. So Michael Saylor expects Mara to be the next Bitcoin firm to join the NASDAQ 100. So if you guys don't know, Mara is a publicly traded company out there. They are one of the largest, if not the largest, mining company for Bitcoin. And it says, congratulations to MicroStrategies and Saylor for being the first Bitcoin treasury company. And it said, Mara is working hard to get there. So I'm hoping that this actually happens here. It says, so we'll see what happens. Like I said, I'm hoping that that's the next one to come up here in the near future for it. So Kenny, thanks so much for becoming a 7-month member, dude. That is awesome. Did you think ETH will pass all-time highs this year? Yes, I do. I do think that. I think a lot of things are going to do really well. Awesome. Do you suspect XRP price to increase when RSU is actually released? Yeah. If everything that we're talking about with it being wrapped, having to use XRP to move across the ledger, then I think that that's going to change. That could be. We'll have to see, man. Like I said, I don't know what's going to happen. I think just my theory, yes, but again, I don't know. I'm not their CTO. I don't know exactly what's going to happen here, but I think by theory, yeah, we could probably say it's going to do something like that. So let's see here. Arturo, thanks so much for the $20, dude. Heard of OF Pepe is going to be starting a new trend. Make sure you subscribe and also buy some OF Pepe. Appreciate the $20 donation to the channel. Yeah, if anyone wants to look at that, then go ahead. I don't usually deal with that kind of stuff, but yeah, appreciate the $20 and good luck to anyone that does. So thank you very, very much. MicroStrategies is the largest BTC miner. Mara is 10% of the size. Well, I think MicroStrategies is they're the largest holder of Bitcoin, but Mara is, I think, they're the largest mining company, I think, Byron. Ripple's new post. Does Ripple have a new post out? Let's take a look at Ripple's new post. Ripple's got a new post out. Let's see what they say. Do they have a new post out? I don't know if they have a new. I mean, they look like they've retweeted some stuff, but yeah, super interesting. What's your thoughts on Algorand? Yeah, I like Algorand. Algorand's good. Algorand is good. Let's see here. I gotta go here. Just a sec, guys. 1 second. All right. So let's see here. Ripple's new post on MySpace. Ripple's new site. Dude, that's too funny. Oh, you guys are funny, man. That's funny. Yeah, it's on MySpace right now. You know any good AI coins? Well, I mean, there's a lot out there. I think, VChain's a good one that's coming up. I mean, out there, you got Chainlink. I mean, there's a lot of little what's dabbling in AI, right? MySpace with the best. Yeah, you guys are crazy. What is a mining company in crypto? No, they mine Bitcoin. So they have Bitcoin machines. So they're like large farms of Bitcoin, like yeah, they mine Bitcoin, they mine Litecoin, they mine a bunch of things. So they're large warehouses full of mining equipment that mine Bitcoin, solely focused on mining that. Selling my firstborn and buying XRP. Oh my gosh, dude. Check the Algorand chart. Uh, should I convert all 1 million Pepe to XRP this run? Dude, I don't know. I can't tell you to do that. I couldn't tell you to do that. What do you think of Turbo? Turbo's doing all right. Yeah, Turbo's doing all right. Is XRP the new Bitcoin? I mean, Bitcoin's here to stay, dude. Nothing's going to be Bitcoin, but I mean, XRP is definitely it's its own use case. It's got its own thing, and I think a lot of people support it. And I mean, they have a whole XRP army, just like Bitcoin has a whole army of just Bitcoin people. I still think I have a MySpace account. Oh my gosh. What is a user-friendly cold wallet for a newbie? Well, I heard SafePal actually has a good one. So, SafePal could obviously do it. I heard SafePal is actually pretty good. Ledger's a little clunky, but I mean, it's the best one out there. So, yeah. Steven, thanks so much for the $50 donation. Again, obviously, OF Pepe sends you kisses. I appreciate that. Another meme coin in the space. Like I said, I do appreciate that a ton. Um, Definitely probably not going to pull it up, but anyone that wants to take a look at it, feel free to. What does it mean for RLUC to drop tomorrow if this triggers everyone waiting? Is this the trigger everyone's waiting for? I think so. RTS. I think so. I think it's definitely going to be the number one place for it. Is tomorrow? We'll see what happens, dude. So is it going to actually jump? I don't know. What price did you buy into XRP? We were buying at 30 cents Do Kwon. 30 cents, 31 cents. I think I bought it like 40 cents. Yeah, I think my average is like I think my average was like 30. It's like 33 or 34 if I went back and looked at it. But yeah, and then we've been doing swing trading on it too. We've swing traded the hell out of this thing over the last couple days, last couple weeks actually. So here on the channel, I mean, I've been doing it for I've been making trades on this thing left and right. But I mean, yeah, this is definitely today is a day to make money for a lot of people in this. Cold wallets. Ricardo, thanks so much for the $279 donation to the channel. Appreciate you a ton, dude. Make MySpace great again. Oh my gosh. I feel like a crackhead waiting for my first fix with RLUSD. XRP Ledger wallet on Google. Is that safe? I mean, you're saying to download it? Yeah, you could download it. Let's see here. Someone is scamming. Oh yeah. Sorry, someone's scamming. Someone's scamming over on TikTok for me, dude. So that's kind of wild. I had an Algorand in my bag with XRP and HBAR. Do you think Algorand is a long term hold? I mean, yeah, I like Algorand. So RLUSD drops tomorrow. Yes, pissed off puppy. You know anything about Max AI? I do not EM. I do not. Everyone knows this launch is happening. They have known some time. Why all of a sudden everyone buy in when it's because that's usually how psychology works, dude. So people want to wait for the good news to buy. So like I said, people usually wait for the green to hit and then they buy. That's the psychology of it all. It's kind of crazy, but and then people have that FOMO. They don't want to miss out, so they buy in, waiting for waiting for the reaction. They need that confirmation before they do it. That's a very common thing. RTS, thank you so much for gifting 5 memberships to the A team. Again, anyone, if RTS actually donated membership to you, please say thank you to them. And really, really appreciate the donations to the channel. Again, even Steven, thank you so much for the $50 again for your crypto that you're talking about. And then again, Arturo, thank you so much for your $20 donation. Really, really appreciate that. Sorry. drop my set there. Remember when your friends got mad on MySpace? Dude, that's some wild stuff, yes. Do institutions actually need XRP right now? Yeah, I think that they do. Because again, there's not an easy way to send money across border payment. There's not easy way to send money across the borders. You have to go through Swift. If you guys don't, go look at the Swift process. How long does it take? And it could take days for it to actually move across Swift. So now this changes that game up. When when MicroStrategy began to sell their 5-year convertible bonds for 0% interest for 55% premium is when I knew investors had confidence in BTC. Byron, that's pretty wild when you think about it. When you say it like that. Oh, that's Taz. That's awesome. Yeah, thanks. I don't even trade crypto. I came here to hang out. Y'all seem cool. I appreciate you, Intrigue. Thank you for hanging out, man. That's awesome. We're starting to climb back up right now. 47. Let's see if we can get back to this 250 mark. Hopefully, we can break through it. Why aren't they going to use RLUSD instead of? Well, to move RLUSD across Ripple, you gotta wrap it in. You got to be able to wrap it in. You have to have a pairing, and that pairing, if you're moving it across Ripple, the pairing's XRP. Just like if you move it across Ethereum, you have to then wrap it in Ethereum. Just there's a lot of people taking profits, dude. You got to think there's longs in these positions, and this thing went up 10% overnight. It went 10% up on this thing. So you got people that have leveraged trades on this that are literally selling their positions. And same with people on shorts that are selling because they don't want to lose out on their shorts. So they could be selling and liquidating their short. There's a lot of things moving around. What do you think about the predictions of XRP to 10K? A lot of people think that could happen because a lot of people think that can happen because it's a commodity, so they don't believe in the market cap of it. So yeah, I don't know, man. It's gonna be super interesting to see how this plays out. How awesome are you, Austin? I don't know, man. You tell me. I don't know. Pepe needs to lose a couple zeros. My Amazon can't. K Bowers. Do you think they might make a coin to wrap that isn't XRP? I don't think so, dude. No, that would completely derail the whole XRP network. There would be no reason. So, yeah, each blockchain is going to use RLUSD, and when they use RLUSD, it's going to benefit Ripple as a company because they're going to take fees from that. But it's going to be wrapped in Cardano or ADA. It's going to be wrapped in Ethereum. It's going to be wrapped in BNB if they use that on the blockchain. It's going to be wrapped in XRP to be used on their blockchain. So again, that's sort of where it's at. Thanks for answering my question. Hey, no problem. I just bought coins, but I hear you talking about making profits. What is that? What should I look for? I just bought coins to sit. Yeah, you can do that, Taz. You can do that big time. Yeah, there's no reason you couldn't do that. There's a lot of people that do that. There's a lot of people out there that just buy crypto and sit on it. They don't even care. They'll buy the tops. They'll buy really anywhere. They don't care. I mean, Michael Saylor buys the top of Bitcoin all the time. We joke about that a ton. About how he buys the top, and he just bought the top again, but it ripped up again. So you're awesome for real. I appreciate that, dude. Why he not reading YouTube questions? I read them all the time. Austin is moderately awesome. Dude, Selmo Fund. Thank you so much for gifting 20 memberships to the channel. You're awesome, dude. If Selmo gifted you guys a membership, please say thank you to Selmo. That is amazing. Thank you so much, Selmo, for your gifted memberships. Oh man, you guys are too awesome. Too awesome, dude. And thanks so much, Selmo, for your donation to the channel. Wow. Selmo strong for sure, dude. What's your biggest loss holding selling a crypto? We had them all. My biggest loss is I don't even like talking about it. We'll talk about it another day. It's something I'm not, it's a project that I should not put money in. I'll tell you that. and or time or energy. But I did, and I lost. So, but it's okay. We move on. But we all had our losses. You know what I mean? This is awesome. What a great day for XRP. Yeah, it really is. It really is. Do you think XRP is going up significantly? It's too tough to say, man. It's too tough to say. I can't sit there and say it's. I'm just excited where it's at right now. So we've already gone up like a 400% since we're buying at 30 cents. So like it's hard not to be excited about that, about any increase. Let's see here, Austin. Thanks for answering my question. Hey, no problem. Let's see here. Austin, what do you think of I don't know what that is, Walter White. Hey, Christopher Hack, thank you so much for the $10 gifted memberships to the A team. If Christopher actually donated you guys a membership, please say thank you, dude. That is awesome, man. I'm so I'm excited. Thank you very, very much for that, dude. I appreciate that a ton. Thank you very, very much, Christopher. If he donated you guys, please say thank you so much. What is your prediction of XRP? Well, I think that we're gonna get. I mean, I think that we could easily get to. I'm thinking like that $5 to $7, $10 mark is not unreasonable by any means. Yeah, Sailor's wild. He is wild, but he is so convinced. He's so convinced that he's gonna get there. You're gonna have to adopt too many to subs to keep up with. I know, Paul. Chameleon, thank you so much for gifting 10 more memberships to the A team. Wow, dude, you guys are killing it today, dude. We got roughly almost 1,850 people in here watching. We got another 150 over on Twitter and about 238 people here on TikTok watching. So this is pretty legit. Thank you very much. And if Chameleon actually gifted you guys a membership, please say thank you very much. Let's see here. I think H bar is a great price. I think so too, Adam. Ricardo, thanks so much for the $2 donation. Keep up the good work. I appreciate you, man. Thanks for being here, just kicking it with us. Like I said, we're just here looking at the charts, excited for the price, excited for this announcement. Anyone that's coming in, just realize that Ripple did announce that tomorrow we'll be launching this. So it's probably one of the largest launches in crypto. 2 weeks, we'll see some big gains. Michael, I'm hoping. Austin, congrats, A team, 73 strong. Did we hit 73K subscribers? Awesome, dude. That is cool. Thank you so much for the 73K. Honestly, can't believe, man. Can't believe it. Thank you guys. Wow. I don't even know what to say. I'm just super pumped that you guys are here to kick it with me every morning to talk about crypto. 73,000 people subscribe. Appreciate you guys a ton. Damn, that's humbling. What is your thoughts about Hollywood holiday time since Xmas? Usually crypto and stuff slows down. Usually slows down. A team is running with BTC, dude. BTC's running. Yeah, it's come back down to 45 here. So Sailor is probably behind some of the nefarious activities. You think so, Michael? I don't know. Thank you, Austin. New here, but I love the vibe of this community, and now I'm a gifted member. Oh, dude, John, that's awesome, bro. Appreciate you being here, dude. Appreciate the nice comment too. How do you gift a membership? How do you give a gifted membership? I think you just click on the. I didn't even actually put my memberships in the live today. I mean, I guess I could put it in here. Let's see here, memberships. Let's see here. I could probably put a link in. I didn't even think about putting a link in today. I was so busy just trying to get this out. So there's the link right there. Virtual and hype killing the bull run. You think so? Virtual and hype. I bought a 250 2 weeks ago and kicking myself. I didn't wait a few days till 230. Yeah, it happens, Justin, dude. It happens, man. Trust me, you'll things will be looking good here. Can't believe XRP is pulling back this much. I expected this. You got to think if we pull this to the 4 hour chart right here, or the let's look at the hour chart here. You got to fill this gap. So what happens is that usually when you have a big rip like this, you usually pull back to about the middle of this. And so right now we're probably right back to the middle of where we're at right here. So you got to basically fill this void that happened here, and we'll see it. We'll probably see it better in the 4 hour chart. So probably right around right around noon, we'll see where this goes, and that's where we're going to want to see, because you're going to have this fill. It's going to basically fill this gap right here. That's typically what happens when you have a rip. But like right here, usually when you have a nice little rip like this, it comes back and it fills up. See how that filled up half this line right here? It came back down. Since it's so volatile with it, it's come back down. So Austin is awesome. Appreciate you guys, dude. Appreciate you guys. Watch your stream because my mates who were invested in XRP are sick of me talking about it. That's awesome. Are you going to XRP convention? I don't know. Are you? Are you, Jennifer? I shall be careful next time. I knew. Yeah, it's okay, Artner. It's okay. What's your favorite Pokemon? I like Pikachu, man. Pikachu's awesome. New Zealand, been in crypto for the last 3 years. Keep up the great chat. Oh, Dale, thank you so much, man. So let's see here. Hi, how is everyone here? First to the channel, I find interesting discussion. Subscribe to you. Oh, appreciate that. Thank you for being here. My first time watching you was your stream when you hit 70K. Pretty sure that was only a week ago, 3K in a week. Oh, yeah, Austin. I appreciate you being here too, man. And thanks. Yeah, we keep climbing up. The A team gets stronger, man. Stronger and stronger. We're at roughly 1,846 people watching right now. 255 here on TikTok. So, yeah. Just one sec, guys. All right. Let's see here. Do you think I just missed one here? Jacob, dude, thank you so much for gifting 10 more memberships to the A team, dude. You guys are amazing. If you guys don't know, on TikTok right here, we are over on YouTube right here, and the A team is strong over here. I mean, I think that we're honestly above like 1,200 people now on the A team. Subscribe memberships, and I just can't believe it. And Jacob, thank you so much again for doing this. If Jacob actually donated you a membership, please say thank you to Jacob. That is fantastic. Woke up late. Should I buy more XRP? I think you should probably let this thing settle a little bit. Again, it's up to you. A lot of us were, it's too hard to say right now with what's coming tomorrow. I'm going to be honest. It's so hard to say what's going to happen. I don't know. I'm just being super bullish and super optimistic about it because I want things to work out really well for XRP and everyone holding it. We've been doing it for so long, holding for so long. It's just, yeah. While you were on the long break, I kept my membership, kept running up until recently. No bother. Great. Yeah, Crippy, I'm sorry, man. I ended up taking it away because there was, people I didn't want people to be paying for it and not realizing that they were. So I ended up taking it away. And then when I came back, people were like, "Hey, where's the membership?" So I put them back on. So that's sort of how it worked. And yeah, sorry about that. Thank you for the gift, man. That's awesome, dude. We did analysis. What's the difference between a 4 hour and a 1 hour, 1 minute? Just the further you pull back on the chart, it just helps you judge again, because you're trying to see the trends in the market. And if you're too close, you can't see the trends. You're just basically trying to scalp. XYL, I've looked at it, but I haven't bought it. So what time zone? I'm in Pacific Standard Time, Kareem Abdul. Thank you for the kind gift. Yeah, that's awesome, dude. You guys are killing it over here. You guys are killing it. I hope we break through this, but I'm waiting for this next we're waiting for the next hour chart and the 4 hour at noon. That's where we're waiting for noon. Just let everyone know. I'm really waiting for noon to see what the price is going to do. When big banks and institutions start using RLUSD, XRP will be required and in demand. The more transactions occur, the higher the XRP demand. 100% agree. 1,000 subs a week. Yeah, that's awesome, dude. 1,000 subs in a week. That's pretty badass. I appreciate that. We did not maintain the 250. Yeah, that is true. Been rejected at 250 a lot. 250 is a hard one to get through. Whoever subscribed me, thank you so much. Dude, that guy coming in hot again. Dude, that guy, thank you so much for gifting 10 more memberships to the A team. Gosh dang, you guys are wild, man. If Terry or that guy gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Terry. Dude, you guys are wild, man. Damn. Chase, thanks so much for the $50 donation. Again, OF Pepe, the first meme coin with the OnlyFans account. You guys are wild. I do appreciate you guys donating to the channel. And thank you for that. You guys are wild with these meme coins. Wild. And I wish, again, good luck, Chase, and everything you got going on. And I appreciate the donation to the channel. If Chanel sells today, I'm buying another one tomorrow. OF Pepe supply. Terry's coming in hot already. Rob, thanks, Rob. Dude, thank you so much for gifting 20 A team members. Dude, you guys are crazy right now, dude. Holy crap. This reminds, we're on the verge of like the same stream that we had on Friday, dude. I thought Friday was great. We're starting to pick up like right there, dude. And Rob, thank you so much for the $20 donation of gifted memberships to this channel. It's more than $20. It's actually $40. But thank you, dude. Thank you. And if Rob gifted you a membership, please say thank you to him as well, dude. This A team is getting big, dude. So as you guys know, I'll probably be dropping a Discord in January, top of the year sometime, and you have to be a membership to be in there. And so it's nice to sort of see this, dude. We're gonna probably join Telegram with on the verge of like 1,500 A teamers at this point. So that's wild. RLUSD not launching till December 17th. Yeah, it's it's launching tomorrow, dude. Yep. Appreciate that. Austin, you should change your video title to reflect RLC release is definitely tomorrow. Yeah, I said it's launching. Like it is launching tomorrow. We talked it into existence. I told you guys I was going to keep putting videos up and talking into existence. So that's what we're doing. How's it going? Sorry, I'm late. Pulled 2K out of El Zildra yesterday, thinking about either jumping. Okay. Let's see here. Love watching the channel. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much. All right. Let's see here. Selmo, dude, you guys are wild, dude. Oh my gosh, dude. Another 20 gifted memberships, dude. You guys are crazy right now, dude. Selmo, thank you guys so much, man. Honestly, wow. Thank you very, very much for the 20 gifted memberships again. Selmo holding down the chat with it. Everyone here with all the gifted memberships. You guys are crazy, dude. Honestly, I don't even know what to say. Just appreciate you guys a ton, dude. Yeah, if someone gifted you another 20 membership or gifted you a membership in here, please say thank you to him, dude. You guys are this gifted membership stuff is crazy. Honestly, I am totally humbled by it. Let's see here, Abdul. Hey, which platform do you think is best leverage trade? XRP. It actually used to be Binance, and then they got rid of it here. I couldn't use Binance here in Washington anymore. So yeah, the only place I can't leverage trade it on Coinbase. I heard you could do it on Uphold, but I don't really mess around a whole lot with Uphold. So what a good percentage of profit to take on hold crypto. It's really how much you're in there and where you're at. That's tough to say. I'll take if it goes up 3% and I make a couple $100, I'll take it. John, loved your whole video, bro. Can I get a quick TA on Peak? I probably won't do it right now, John, to be honest with you. I appreciate the $5. This is where I wish I had like a Discord. You could probably go in there and we could talk about it. But yeah, I'm not gonna do it live on stream. But I do appreciate the donation to the channel. Starting to thin. Selmo is just Austin's alt account. No way, dude. No way, dude. You guys are wild, man. You guys are wild. Make sure you enable gifts in your settings if you want to be ineligible for a membership. Oh, you got to actually have that enabled. That's wild. I didn't even know you had to do that. Join the team, bro. Jonathan, welcome, welcome. Yeah, thank you so much for all the chats, dude. You guys are amazing. I understand that your job is to tell us about something worthwhile, but you should really talk about auxiliary. I don't know anything about it. Sheikha Lavin. I don't know anything about it. SOF, dude. What's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Congratulations. You are part of the new financial system starting tomorrow. You were here when it happened. Write it down. Dude, that's awesome. I like that, dude. I like that. And as you guys know, SOF has been, I followed him for quite some time. Yeah, been in a lot of spaces with him. I appreciate you being here, man, and saying that. Swapped everything over to XRP, currently over 3,000 shares. Average price is 211. Hey, that's a good price, Nate. It's a good price. And we're battling this out pretty good. I mean, we're back up to 246 right now, so you can't be too upset about that. What's your H bar sell price after your buying order last night? Probably. I mean, right now we're up to 2860, so I'm actually up just a tad bit on my sell order. Actually, barely up right now. Like I told you guys, it triggered at 285 and then dipped way low, and I was like, oh shit! I woke up and I was a couple $100 in the hole off of it. Didn't make an adjustment, and so that's what happened. But yeah, I'm up just slightly right now, maybe like fucking freaking like $10, dude. Now you expect XRP to hit by the end of the year. We'll see, dude. It's so tough to tell. I'm hoping that we just tomorrow we'll have a nice little rise out of this. We'll start to see money getting wrapped in RLUSD, moved across the Ledger network, and at that point we can just be excited about that. You deserve all the love, Austin. You were helping us out of so much. You should be compensated. I was fortunate enough to find you on my third day, dude. RTS. Appreciate you a ton, man. Thank you guys for being here. And I know that a lot of new people in the space just need a place to go hang out, talk about crypto. They feel secure in here. And I'm glad that I'm able to create a platform on YouTube, TikTok, where people feel they can come into a room and have a positive chat, have a positive people in the chat there that are here to help you and want everyone to succeed. That's the thing. That's a hard thing to ask for, a hard thing to find, and I'm happy that we're creating that here on this channel right now. So people like you, RTS, being here, like I said, is awesome. What's up, making true money? I just, it's okay. You're late, but I was showing you showing some of your TikTok or some of your things you sent me on X. So you guys, I sold my XRP, put everything I had on these. Dude, that's wild if you saw if you did that. But hey, man, to each your own. You think this will be a sell the news event? It's too tough to tell, Cole, honestly. I mean, is it bad to have your VRP and Robinhood? It's up to you, Babel. I'm just not a big fan of it. I need someone to teach me how to day trade. I'm willing to pay. No, just keep watching content, man. You'll get better at it, and just actually apply it. Like, you're gonna lose some money. Trust me, dude. You're not gonna go out there and win all your trades right away. So if you're like getting in here to day trade and swing trade, you're gonna have losses. It's gonna be very common. Probably more losses than wins to begin with. I'll tell you that. Uphold is great. Yeah, it's good, dude. 99 cents per trade deals. That's good. I don't really use Uphold, but if people do, yeah, I mean, that's great. How do you tell if you're already a subscriber? Just go and see if you click the subscriber thing. So, and plus you're talking. I have it on subscriber mode, Stan. So you are a subscriber because you're talking in here. What's your H bar price? Yeah, we'll see. We're going to monitor H bar right now. I mean, today, my focus right now is XRP, solely XRP right now. It's wild. $8. You think $8, Matthew? Okay. When doing analysis, what's the difference between 4 hour, 1 hour, 1 minute? Yeah, I think I've already talked about that. How much do you think HBAR will go? We're going to continue to ride it out, man. We're going to continue to ride it out. Like I said, I'm hoping that we can at least get to its all-time high. That's what I want. So Austin's a safe space. Yep. This feels like a safe space. That's good, dude. We're all here for some safe spaces. I love it, dude. That's awesome. Good vibes here. Everyone here is awesome. They've been here. I've had a lot of people who've been with me for a long time, years, still in the chats, chatting it up, and providing, just here for support, and everyone's super positive. You'll get some crazy people come into the chats and knock down the vibe, but for the most part, you're gonna you have a big community of people here who will make sure that, that person doesn't bring down the chat too much. Will banks have XRP when making foreign exchange transactions? They very well could, Cameron. Yeah, that's the whole goal, is for banks to actually do that. So what do you think about the guys that say you should never sell XRP ever and that Everest day trading? They have the same motto as they have the same exact mindset as Michael Saylor with Bitcoin. So, and a lot of people got in super early, so they're okay, right? They just keep adding and accumulating, adding and accumulating. Digital Orgy is a perfect example of a person who's done that. So, yeah, it's kind of how it is. All right, Intrigue. Thank you so much. Have a great day as well. Appreciate you being here. Uh Adnin, I don't know if I know what that is. Yeah. Do you think BlackRock will try and rug pull XRP? No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Yeah, I think Westby plan. I think we all want to gain some pretty good wealth. Will banks have to use XRP when making foreign exchange transactions? Yes, that's kind of what they're going to do. They're using, so when they use it, they have to, when they move their money over to a stable coin, because they're going to move, like, let's just say they move $1 million over to a stable. If they move it over to a stable coin, that stable coin, if they're going to move it on the ledger, has to be wrapped in XRP to move it across the ledger. So they're going to be purchasing a 1-to-1. So they have to purchase $1 million worth of XRP to make that, to wrap it in that pricing. And which is, again, what the CTO, that's not me saying that. The CTO came out and actually said this as well. You have to have a 1-for-1 pairing. I love your channel because you're honest and balanced. You don't hype things up and give fair advice. I appreciate that, George, dude. I appreciate that. Thank you. I feel you're faster on the chat today. I'm keeping up with the chat, bro. I'm on it, man. I'm a little parched, but I'm on it. Usually I can keep up with the chat pretty good. Ask everyone that's been with me for a while. Usually I'm pretty good with the chat. But lately I've been slacking. I'm a little rusty. What do you think the price is going to drop down to? I think we're going to probably, this price that we dropped down to right now is a pretty good, 242 is a pretty solid level. You can see, look at all the support that we've built in here. So a lot of support in this area. Fees just suck for day trading. Yeah, you got to find a good spot. Crypto or Coinbase is a good spot if you pay the premiums. That's all. You had to pay the premiums. Oh, appreciate you, Hollywood Harp. Thank you so much. Thank you very, very much. Smart investors acquire companies. They build them. Yep, that's true. That's true, F. Joe. Let's see here. I missed out on the Bitcoin train back in the day. Not going to miss out on this one. Yeah, right, K-Bauer. I think a lot of us are in that same boat. A lot of us feel that there's a lot of momentum behind XRP, and a lot of people they have that fear of missing out, right? They have that fear of, what's going to happen here. So buy the rumor, sell the news moment again with XRP going to crash. I don't think it's going to crash. No, there's too much, probably too much money in there. And there's a lot of retail money that's come in here. So usually retail money sits. So I FOMO'd at 253 and looks like I should have waited for it to drop. 253. Yeah, that 253, it's going to, everything that goes up comes down to some degree. So yeah, I wish I came on and told you that. Save you a little bit of, but we're hoping it's going to get back up there and to retest that area. Almost 2K people. I don't say that's slacking. Yeah, there's a lot of people. I don't know if everyone's chatting, but yeah, there's about 1,760 people right now watching. So, yo, Austin, thanks. You're doing awesome. Appreciate you. To the moon. Hell yeah, Aaron. Could the stable bring the price down? Maybe. No. What I'm fearful for is that people are going to be any good whales buying. No, I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, there's whales buying XRP if that's what you're asking me. But what I was going to say about the stable or the what did it say? Could the stable coin bring down the price? What I'm fearful for is that people are going to think that, because again, a lot of people think that RLUSD is going to like rise in price. Like RLUSD is just a stable coin. I want to make sure it's very clear. It's not going to move from $1. So don't go trading your XRP for RLUSD thinking that it's an investment that's going to go up in price. It's not. It's a stable coin. That's the only thing I'm fearful for. A lot of retail people are like, "Oh, RLUSD launched. I'm going to go buy it," and then they're like, "Wait a second, it's still 10. It's still $1,000." Chainlink's good. Sulky. Chainlink's good. I think its future is bright. Obviously it's doing really, really well. So now that Bitcoin's slowing down a little bit, we're going to hopefully see some money flow back into the altcoins now. when you have 3.5K on the channel, it gets harder. Yeah, it gets pretty hard, dude. Last week we had like, I think the top I reached was like 3.8K is what we had. If I went back and looked. So, um, yeah, it was pretty crazy when you go back and you look. Some I missed out big time. I'm missing this and gonna hold my shares. All right, yeah. Hi, I'm back today to annoy you. Nah, C77, what's going on, man? Do you think we'll be able to stake XRP? Yeah, you probably could. You could stake XRP. As I say that, I'm falling behind on the chat. Andrew, thanks so much for the 5 gifted memberships to the channel, dude. Andrew's been a big gifting memberships to a lot of people. If Andrew gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Andrew. And again, appreciate that a ton for your gifted memberships, dude. We're rallying it up right now. I don't even know. Let's see. I don't even know what our total gifted memberships are. We're at, oh my god, we just passed 1,250 paid members on the channel, dude. That's insane. Gifted or not, I mean, that's a lot of people. 1,250 people on the channel that are here right now, dude. That's wild. Wow. So yeah, that's crazy, dude. Bro, when the memes start moving, yeah, memes will start moving shortly for sure. Jennifer Fan gave him that name. Could have had XRP, but decided to diversify. Recommended by those in the know. Oh, you're talking about diversifying your portfolio, laddie? Yeah, it's not bad to diversify. I mean, don't get me wrong. I think diversifying your portfolio is good. Through time, I've diversified my portfolio too. I was in the beginning, I was so diversified that I had to consolidate. Exchanges like MEXC, maybe later this cheaper trading fees than Coinbase. Yeah, but I can't do, Jeremy, I can't do MEXC. I wish I could. MEXC was good here in Washington. KuCoin was good. And then they took those away. And then it was Binance.us. And yeah, so it kind of sucks. Batchman, welcome. Good afternoon from Michigan. Yeah, that's awesome, dude. I'm Gambit. Oh my God. Longer you hold XRP, you are a legend. Yeah. We have a lot of people. I was shocked to see that a lot of people in here held it for 7 years. I was pushing 3 years and was like, gosh, dang, Austin, I thought you loved XRP. Yeah, dude, I love XRP Grande. We're XRP, a little bit of XRP. We like it a lot. What is the Ripple stablecoin on Coinbase wallet? I'd be careful with that one just in case. What's your main platform moving forward? Still YouTube? Yeah, you can come over here to the YouTube side, C77. That's where we're all on. We have roughly, like I said, right now we have about 1,785 people watching live. If you guys can hit that like button, which pushes up in the algorithm. Appreciate you guys a ton for being here. And we have about 226 people over here on TikTok and about 170 on X. So that's pretty crazy. You can't stake XRP. No, he was asking if in the future you think we're going to be able to stake XRP. And that I said, yeah, I don't see why we couldn't be able to do that down the road. Can we pre-order RLUSD? Thank you for the safe place to learn and grow. 808 Mimi's. Yeah, no problem, dude. I'm glad that we're here just chilling and talking about this and watching. So, XRP is still hover around this 46 marker. We got about 20 minutes until we sort of see where the next leg goes here. The 4 hour probably going to hit like right around. Yeah, we should probably hit this next line right here. I mean, this next hour or next 20 minutes is going to be good. You can see the last hour has been on this little bit of a downturn right here, but I mean, it needed to fill this little gap right here. So create another low and hopefully we come off this and make another high and we can get past this 250 mark. I think that, look at this right here. So we hit this level right here, but look at that, dude. We've actually hit a pretty good amount of this 248 mark. And now we're moving up here. So this is like a tough area to get over, but look at how much we put in. Look at the support right here. This is crazy at this 240 mark. That's a huge level of support now. Let's actually pull this back on the day chart. Let's see where the levels of supports are with the volume. Wait for it to load up. There we go. Yeah, look at that, guys. You can see, look at the level. So we got a level of support here around the 230. We got another one here at the 240. And then we got some down here. But I mean, after that, dude, we get through this 250 mark, dude, it's on for the races. We had about the same issues with about the 100,000 mark for Bitcoin, which then finally broke through. So, yeah. You think Pepe will take over SHIB? That's my run. I bought Pepe a while back. A couple, what was it, like a year and a half ago maybe, and that's kind of like my meme coin. That was kind of like my meme coin bet coming into 2024, 2025 for the bull run, was Pepe was going to be like the SHIB of this run, and so far it hasn't disappointed. So it hasn't reached the levels of SHIB, but I mean it's definitely hasn't disappointed with its price. Austin, I asked, it seems that you think XRP is priced high right now. I think it's cheap. No, I don't think it's priced high. I just think that some people think that this RLUSD is baked in. And that's what I was saying, is that it's going to be interesting to sort of see when institutional money starts to roll in, people start to actually use RLUSD to move money across the Ripple net, how that's going to impact XRP pricing based off of just utility, not based off of just hype or holding it. Been holding for 6 years, dude. That's great. Tip tap key. That's awesome, dude. I had to sell in July when it was 61 cents. I'm so pissed. Dude, I'm sorry, Paul. That sucks, man. You got to pay to play, donations for the trash can. Yeah, that guy's not wrong, dude. That guy's not wrong. When it comes to the meme coin space, it's a rough space, very unforgiving space. So the gifted sub inspired me. Set up the reoccurring monthly membership, A-Team for life. Oh, John, that's awesome. Yeah, like I said, my goal a while back was to open up a Discord to the A-Team. So like right now, it's obviously you get emojis and you get maybe some like, hey, how long you been here? But the goal with the memberships is to create. It was just a small paywall to get into a Discord, and then open up that Discord to allow free chat and have there's a lot of things we're gonna do in there. Just we're gonna talk about stocks and stuff like that. Do some other things, and I was gonna launch that a year ago, but life just gets to you and you just don't do it. And so now with the amount of people that we have as part of the A-Team or part of the memberships, I think here probably beginning of January, the anticipation is to open that up. And anyone who has become a member, even if it's gifted, will have access to the Discord. And we'll go over there and we could talk. We'll talk in the Discord. So I'll still be going live and stuff like that, but it'll have a Discord for all the A-Team members that want to talk about whatever. We'll have a lot of news in there and different sections for different things. So that's kind of the goal. And like I said, I started doing it about a year ago. And so I'm just excited maybe for it to come to fruition. I don't know what it's going to be. I don't know what it's going to evolve to. I don't know. You know what I mean? It might, like I said, it's the first time I've ever opened up a Discord. So it might not even be the greatest Discord. It might be some crazy, people might go in there and go, wow, this is not that great of a Discord. I don't know. I don't know what the expectations are. So I'm just going to drop it and, build it from there. And with everyone's support, I think we'll actually have a pretty strong Discord and a pretty good amount of people. Why make trillions when we can make billions? Right, thought, dude. Austin Powers. I miss Austin Powers. Austin Powers is legit, dude. When are your Discord timings? Yeah, that's what I was just gonna say, Alan. Yeah, it's gonna be probably in January. Probably first of the year. We'll have something up somewhere in that ballpark. Like I said, I'm a kind of an OC. I kind of am a little OCD with it just because I want to make it perfect, and I'm definitely not going to make it perfect out of the gate. It'll probably, like I said, it's probably going to have to grow and get better and add more things and stuff like that. So, yeah. Thanks for the gift. That's cool. Yeah, XRP is the future. Became the number one. Oh, thanks so much for the gift over there, Curious Mind. Appreciate that a ton. Just became the number 3 gift badge. That's fantastic, dude. Thank you so much. If you guys been gifting and all that stuff and I haven't been seeing it, I'm sorry, dude. I really am, and I do appreciate anyone who has subscribed or donated over here on TikTok as well. Hopefully TikTok stays up and running, dude. It's been fun. 3.8K when we hit 2. When we hit 2, oh, you're saying 3.8K, yeah. Here we're climbing up to 47 now. We finally reached out to that 47. So it's going to get interesting towards the end of this hour right here where we go. We just went from 46 to 47 on the price. So to the 4 hour, we're starting to climb back up. We're starting to build back into this last leg here that we've been down. So the 1 hour chart's it's looking like we're crossed back over, but the 4 hour chart looks pretty good. 4 hour chart's looking really good. The 12-hour chart's looking really strong. And the day chart is it's starting to actually come up. We're actually starting to get back over the red line, which is where we were undersold. So, or oversold. So now we're going to start to come up and hopefully push back up. So yeah, excited to see where this goes. Why is XRP going down? Just a lot. You got to think there's a lot of people that are taking profits, dude. I'll pull pretty much everything. You should probably buy every coin in there. I don't know about that. one exchange can average 149, and another can average 219. Is the 219 a good average? Yeah, yeah. Liquid dreams. Yeah, that's usually what you want. We'll do trading daily as well. Yeah, we'll go in there and talk about levels and stuff like that. And answer questions if I can on things. Put in, like, there's gonna be a lot of people put in their own stuff in there. It's really just for a community to come together and say, hey, I'm sure we're gonna, like, for instance, we were on stream and you had oh, what's his name? Coming on here from Poland, Warsaw, saying, hey, we're shorting it. Here's what's going to happen. We're shorting at this levels. And so you'll have people just communicating in there, talking about what they're doing, hey, this looks like a good buy price. And, so just like we do on here, but it's a place to go when I'm not on stream, where a lot of people that want to, hang out and talk about stuff, that you can go to and do that, and then there's, there's news dropping in there. That's really what it's about. Creating another safe place out of just a stream, and you could talk about other things off stream too. Is there any way that more XRP can put into circulation? I think that there's way they can put more XRP in circulation. I don't think all their circulation's actually out there yet. I think they only have like a third. Yeah, so they have 99 billion in total, or 100 billion in terms of total supply right now. Circulating supply is about 57 billion. And the rest is actually in a you can go down here, you can actually look at yields, or what it is. You can actually see, I think some of it's actually locked up in a trust. So yeah, look forward to the Discord. Count me in. Hell yeah, dude. I'm excited. I mean, like, it's been a long time coming for it. I don't, like I said, I don't want, like, I'm not trying to set expectations, because I don't, it's not like I joined Discord and stuff. I don't know what the expectation should be, but I mean, it's probably going to be low. I just want to set low expectations to start off and build from there. That's all I can say. Just, I guess, trying to really get it started is the first step. What would you say is a realistic value of XRP eventually? I mean, I think I'm really pushing for that $7 range. I think is like where I feel like it could really do well. And if it does above that, then I'm even more ecstatic. Memberships are random. You could open your wallet and buy a membership yourself. I know that's a foreign concept these days. Viking. Thanks for the content. It's going to take a couple months for us to hit a new all-time high. Do I believe in the project? I do believe in that. Okay, JJ. Yeah, and it could, and I'm cool with the slow, steady climb. When these things start to get crazy is usually when they start to fall fast. I mean, we saw right here with this crazy fall, this crazy launch right here, we've come back down and settled, which has been nice. Is there any way that XRP can be put into circulation? Yes, it can be. Why buy when you can be blessed? I agree. We should unite Rodney with his dad for Christmas. I don't know why I read that. I can't go higher if it doesn't go down and correct. Yeah, if it doesn't correct, you're right, Johnny. If it doesn't correct, then you can't go higher. You have to create new lows to be able to create new highs. And look at that. Look at the 4-hour chart, dude. We're on the green right now. So, I mean, yeah, people that bought are sitting pretty. We got about another 10 minutes before we see something. Thoughts on XRP stability when it launches? I mean, it's going to go wild. I think tomorrow is a good job. Is this your job? Yeah, Brian. Yeah, I come on here. It's not really a job. If you're having fun and you enjoy it, I don't consider it a job. It's more of just a hobby. I do this for a hobby. I do it because it's fun. I enjoy it. I have a blast doing it. I get it. You have a nice little adrenaline rush like you did today with seeing XRP get to 257. Is the most crypto just riding on the price? Yeah, and utility, right? What's the use case going to be to help drive that price? That's the big thing. End of day tomorrow price prediction, dude. If we can I just want to get above the 250 mark, dude. If we can get above 250 and stay above 250, then I feel very happy. We can't break this 250 to save our life. I say that we can break the 250. We can't sustain the 250. If we can start to sustain the 250 as a new level, then I think we've done very, very well. Mad World. Why don't people just hold and really drive the price up? There's too many people out there putting leverage trades on that. There's a lot of leverage trading going on. Yeah, that's awesome, Hollywood Harp. Is there a release date for RL? Tomorrow. Tomorrow's the RLUSD date launch. Anyone coming in new to the channel, just realize that tomorrow is the launch for RLUSD. They made an official announcement on the Ripple page right here. You can see RLUSD launches globally tomorrow. They put out a whole article on it. And yeah, so that's what the anticipation and excitement is. It's about that. Drunken Trader, thanks for becoming a member of the channel. You are now official member of the A team, and I appreciate the heck out of that. Thank you very much. So make sure you have a meme channel in the Discord. Is that what you guys, some people want that meme stuff? That's probably the place. If you're going to talk about it, that's probably the place to talk about it. You know, so yeah, that could happen. High expectations on you, Austin. Appreciate that, Stan. Yeah, I appreciate you putting expectations on me. I need those I need that motivation. They said that every RLUSD transaction is going to burn some XRP. Well, yeah, there is a small burn. It's a very small percentage of burn. Whenever they use it, they use that, and that's mostly to secure the network, and that's really what it's about. So when is the coin launching tomorrow? They haven't said that, Joe. They haven't said exactly when it's going to launch, but I mean, we do anticipate that tomorrow is going to be a pretty crazy ride. $100 billion versus 20 million in apples to oranges. Yeah, 100 billion versus 20 million is definitely apples to oranges. I would agree with that. BCD slipping a bit, just like me. Julian, thanks so much for the $2. You should look into Moonwell. It's undervalued. I'll take a look at it. I'll probably take a look at it off screen. But yeah, I appreciate the donation. I don't even know if I know what Moonwell is, dude, to be honest with you. So how much will the coin be tomorrow? $1. It's going to be $1 for the remainder of its life. I don't want to burn my brain anymore. What's up, Joka? You're good, bro. But yeah, it's going to be, I don't know what the Moonwell thing is, but yeah, it's going to be $1 tomorrow. Don't be trading your XRP for RLUSD. It's not going to go anywhere. Happy Monday to you, Nutrition is Life. Happy Monday to you too. How much do you make from your channel and super chats? It varies on the day, dude. You know, if you want to, all my stuff is live. If you want to go back and calculate it, you can. But yeah, I think you know, people have been super generous, and I couldn't be more appreciative of the support from all the A-teamers. Honestly, totally humbled by it. I'm gonna be real. That's just me being 100% honest. Like totally humbled by all the support from the A-team over the last 2 weeks or a week and a half, whenever long it's been. It's crazy. Thank you for everyone that's genuinely trying to do stuff great or good. Yeah, Ray, I'm with you, man. It's hard in this space. A lot of people are in it for themselves in this space. You'll see that very clearly. I mean, a lot of you've been here. You know, it's a tough space to be in, and it's good. Like I said, I mean, it's very positive to see a lot of people in this space just want to see people, at least in this channel, seeing everyone trying to win and supporting each other. It's cool. It's cool to see. It's everything that you wish, right? And I couldn't be more grateful for the community that's grown on this channel so much, like already, because I think everyone would be blessed to have a chat like this. It's super positive, just excited for the future of crypto, and yeah, come together every day. So yeah. Can you talk about the burn rate in detail on a large scale? Well, there's only been about 13 million XRP burned, Anthony. So it's not like there's this crazy amount, but what happens is basically every time there's a transaction, there's a little bit of a burn. But that burn, when they say burn, that fee goes back to basically to secure the network. So it's going back to validators and things like that for securing the network. So that's really what it is. It's not meant to burn the supply. It's not meant to go and like how SHIB and all that kind of stuff is, you know, they burn supply to reduce price. That's not what XRP does. That's not their whole intention with, that's not their intention with their burn. Their intention is to pay for validators and things like that to basically secure the network. Austin, what do I do? What do I get if I subscribe? If you come over to the YouTube side, you'll be able to, you obviously have a badge and things next to your name over here. And then you'll be able to access the Discord in January. But if you do it on TikTok side, I don't know how that came up there to the subscription thing, but it did. And yeah, it's just basically, I guess, have you basically get some, I guess, that you're a subscriber on the TikTok side. So I don't know how else to say it. Austin, people are basing the belief in XRP on replacing Swift. Yeah, that's the whole goal. So as you guys know, Swift and all the banks and everything like that have to move over to an ISO 222. If you haven't looked that up, go spend some time looking at ISO 222. It'll tell you everything you need to know on where every bank and every institution including Swift, they all have to up their systems to be able to accommodate digital currency. And so they're going to be partnering with people to do that. And, XRP is one of them, HBAR, Stellar, all these things that are ISO certified. How do I get to YouTube? Just go right up here to Awesome Austin, click on there, and right at the top of my profile, underneath my profile picture, they'll say YouTube. You can click on that and come over here, Joka. Damn, called the Tuesday thing before that news. Yeah, right, Alex, you did. I remember someone saying that. Was that you that said that? That's kind of cool. Lottie, thanks so much for the 2 months. What are your thoughts on Corium? I don't know if I know enough about that one, Lottie, to be honest with you. I probably have to look at that one. Absur, thanks so much. Party coming 275. I saw my house. Well, we're battling this this next hour, and this next 4 hours is gonna be great. But Swift upgrading their network and have partnered with Chainlink.xrp, that's fine. But you got to think a lot of people aren't going to use Swift. Swift is still slow, dude. Swift is still, Swift will still be there, but I think that this allows things to be moved on through a stablecoin on a blockchain. It makes it cheaper, faster, more secure. So we'll see what happens. Hey, I'm not saying that XRP is going to be the say all be all to solving that problem, but I think they're definitely going to be a competitor now. Can you finally end the debate on whether or not market cap affects XRP? Well, I think that there was a pretty good article out there. A pretty good video out there talking about how XRP, if it's a commodity, just look at it. If we're saying that cryptocurrency is a commodity, then go look at commodities don't have market caps. That's the argument. Commodities don't have market caps. And if we're saying that these are a commodity, then it's all based off supply and demand. It's not based off of how much money's coming in here. Now, if we're saying these are security, then yeah, that would be a market cap situation. So that's what we really got to decide. I just want to be just rich enough to give away money like these people, partner. I appreciate that. You're awesome. Chart is slow. I'd rather watch an E. I'm not even going to say that one, Lifestyle Tube. You almost got me there again. And I appreciate that. Thank you so much for the $2. You're crazy, by the way. Thank you so much for the £2. A million seconds is roughly 11.5 days. A billion seconds is that's actually, when you start to break it down like that, that's a lot, right? That's a lot. Only by ISO certified token. Yeah, that's where I'm at. Six stringer. That's where I'm at. Six stringer is that, dude. I tried using my 18 badge to gain access to the police department. In my opinion, nobody respects my membership. You're wild, dude. You're wild. That's funny though. I did definitely not rich. I'm definitely not rich. Just sharing some of the love. I appreciate that, Rob, dude. Honestly, yeah. Zero expectations with donating. Zero expectation. I don't come on here expecting that whatsoever. Like it. Never have I. Never will I. Even again, the people that feel it in their heart and do that. I just am super thankful for it. I don't come on here for that. I come on here just to hang out and talk about crypto, and that's really what it comes down to. So. 2 minutes till we see this chart. We're going to see this. Let's zoom in on it. We're going to see this 4-hour chart's going to change here in a minute, 2 minutes. So we'll see how this goes. Let's look at the 1 hour. The 1 hour chart's going to change too. We'll see this this will create a whole new candle here for both the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and I think the 12 hour is going to change at 4. So yeah, this is a pretty crazy 4 hour or 12 hour chart right there, but here we go. We got about 2 minutes left. So like and subscribe. Yes, hit that like button. Appreciate you guys a ton. We want them to recognize this commodity, but crypto trades much more like a security. That is true. That is true, Big A. I'll give you that. Why would pump more when it launches? Pump came this morning. Well, I think you're getting the whole goal, Chris, is for it to go up in price over use case, not over because of people's emotions, right? We don't want to treat this. This is not like a meme coin where people, money probably went in there because people put money in it in anticipation of tomorrow. But the goal of XRP is to raise in price because of utility, not because of like emotion. Like a Pepe is based off emotion, right? Large amount to buy, pumping, more people come in off excitement because of pumping. Like, yeah, XRP is that way too right now. But we want this to build off of like actual money coming in, the use case of XRP, that kind of stuff. Like that's how you want to look at it. Do you see all these XRP ads on YouTube are fake? Yeah, Marcus, that's some wild stuff, dude. I watched the internet get built with the exact same roadmap. Six Stringer, that's pretty crazy. Like your channel. Thank you so much, Six Stringer. Hey, from Australia. Wow, what's up, Michael? From Australia. I've been here long enough. I have zero expectations from Austin. Yes. Launching Sawberg soon, and we'll be pulling XRP, Doge, and others in. Here we go. We just got the new candle coming in. This could actually be beneficial for the chart. So let's see what happens here. Here's the 4 hour. We're on the 4 hour right now. If you had 5K to invest in today for long-term holding, are you buying BTC? Yeah, probably. BTC is just still one of my better investments. So here we go. New candle. Let's see what happens here. Mark Cuban is bull. Do you think there is a much bigger? Yeah, we're tapping away at it. This has gotten smaller and smaller. This 250 used to be long. This used to be the biggest level, right? It used to be one of the bigger levels out here, like what we saw right here. And so I think we're slowly tapping it, right? Slowly hitting it. And yeah, so we'll see what happens, right? We keep hitting it, bouncing, we're getting rejected. It'd be nice if we were able to sustain and build through it. So what would we want to see is this to raise up to like maybe a 290 and like, and then the next line try to break through it and get into this 252 and then stay above. We want to stay above this level. Even if we trade sideways at this 250 mark, we want to stay above this level. We don't want to hit it and then be rejected and come back down again. That's a little bearish. So Goober, thanks for becoming a member of the channel. You're officially now a member of the A team, and I appreciate you for joining. Thank you very, very much. 7:56 for the day. I'm about to be a content creator. You gotta think. Yeah, I mean, that's not always the day. There's so many variables in there, laddie. That's there's so many variables in the price. So, what tool can I use to track my investments over time? I like to use Coinbase, would show up, but I use TradingView, dude. TradingView has been the best thing that I've tapped into, over the years. It's great. You can put all your stuff over here. You can track it. Another thing too is if you wanted to, you can go over here and you can go into one thing I do like about Coin Market Cap is you can create a portfolio. You can go in here and you can actually create a portfolio and you can put all your crypto in there and when your buy prices were and your times, and then you can go back and you can watch that portfolio unfold. So that's a pretty cool little thing too if you wanted to do that. How do you get blue and yellow volume candles levels? Oh, just go up here to indicators, and then right here I favored it. It's called the visible range volume profile, and that's what you get over here. So yeah, and then down here is obviously this is an oscillating over the 4 hour. So which one of the Moon Ripple USD is the main XRP? They haven't launched it yet. So yeah, you gotta just be careful. Don't be clicking on any crazy thing out there. Be very, very careful. So yeah. Can you explain the candles as you go? Like, what are you like? You want to know like how how candles get created? Is that what you're asking me, Dan D? What time RLC launched? They haven't made that announcement. Slowly tapping it, slowly hitting it, getting rejected. Yeah. What are you talking about on this channel? I don't talk in like, if you want to go get like the correct pronunciations of everything, like there's other channels out there. I just, I'm not going to talk at that high level. It's too much. My 18 badge gave me level 2 clearance at Home Depot. Hell yeah, dude. That's what I'm talking about. Give that her a slit. I was joking. I know you were F Joe. What's the indicator on the right called? Yeah, it's a volume. This is the volume right here. My Ledger Flex order is canceled. It was just sitting there. Oh, you canceled it? Why did it get canceled? Would you use Coinbase One Wallet or get a Ledger? Well, you can have non-custodials, which is just software based, like MetaMask, Coinbase wallets, and stuff like that. So if you wanted to. Does anyone know what time? They haven't announced it yet. When is XRP? We just know it's coming out tomorrow globally. When XRP is actually going to take off in the last week's highs, it's gone up, was nearly 9%, but always reeled back It's not making any headway. Yeah, we'll see, doctor. Right? I mean, we'll see what happens here. I wish I could have found out about your channel before I got 3,000 XP at 206 on Robinhood. Yeah, it's okay. I took a little break from streaming, to be honest with you. I took a little break from the space. So, you probably found me when I came back. Austin, keeping up with the chat. What in the world is going on? I'm trying, Craig. I'm trying to keep up with the chat. We got roughly 1,752 people in here watching. Thoughts about usual and Vanna. We got 243 people over here on TikTok, which is pretty crazy. We got another 195 people on Twitter. Yeah, we're killing it right now. Or another flex with $70 of free Bitcoin. Damn, all right. That's good. What does the recent candle reveal? Can you explain what you're saying? If you should be seeing, well, basically what this candle, I mean, so what happened? This thing went on a massive tear. So if you look at it, so when you're looking at candles, I mean, so this candle right here is the high price, and then the top of this is the close price. And so, yeah, that's what you're looking at. And then down here, you're seeing right here, which is the open price, which is going to be the bottom of this candle right here. So like the bottom of this candle is the open price, and this is the low price. So and then it's based on, and I look at the volume and how much volume is coming in right here. And so, yeah, right now we see that there's actually some pretty good volume coming in. Right now, the current volume is about 19 million coming in, or there's 19 million happening right now, and it's in the positive. So that's kind of where you're looking at here on these candles. So each candle is an hour, or this is a 4-hour candle. So in 4 hours, how much did that go up? I mean, we went up massively in this 4-hour run right? This was almost a 4% increase in 1 hour. In 4 hours, I meant. That's crazy. And then you can look at it based off hour too. So you want to look at an hour, it's the same thing, right? So you got your high price in that hour, you got your close price, which is up here. You got your open price, which is here. You got your low price again. And so then the next candle does the same thing. And so that's where you're basically seeing it. And this is like, you can see the volatility because of these what's called a wick between when the high price hit to where the close price happened. That's a big gap. So that's really what it is. And again, I look at the volume of where these are and where they're hitting. You can see this hits these volume levels. And there's just a lot of volume, so it gets rejected and bounces back up to the price. It's kind of evens out. So, but this again, I try to look at this 4-hour versus really a whole lot of other. So, just me personally, where everyone has their own personal preferences. If you don't buy XRP, you're gonna be so mad. Austin learned you only stream when we in the green. Hey Austin, what do you mean when it says the only available trade on Coinbase wallet? Oh, then that means that you can only go over to the wallet and trade in the wallet. So you have to go to the DEX side of it. So the decentralized side, you'll have to trade on like Uniswap. You can do a swap inside the wallet, which you'll pay pretty high fees for. So you can't trade it on the exchange. You have to go to a decentralized exchange in that wallet to trade it. I want to see $3. What does that have to do? We just have to wrap. So people that are using RLUSD will wrap with XRP. That's the goal. Let's take a look. See where they're at with the longs. Let's refresh. Yeah, look at that, dude. Look at that 24. Look at that shift in 24 hours. Look at the shift in 4 hours, dude. Remember, this was like 6 to 4. Now it's 4 to 4. So this is actually really good. And again, this is just I think it's just on Binance right here. So let's actually go down here and yeah. 24-hour long liquidations is 2.48 on Binance. Short liquidations is 2.4. So that's good. That's actually pretty even. Damn. Okay. That's pretty even, dude. 4.475. Damn. But yeah, you can see right here. I mean, there's a lot. This is just the derivative side of it. Wow, that's pretty crazy. All right, and then you go look at Bybit. Yeah, look at the volume coming in on that. That's crazy. XRP 602 and 24-hour long liquidations to 3. So that's dang. Pretty wild. Look at the volume. Look at the volume on Binance for XRP. The trade counts 5.73 million. There's not even anything closer. Dude, Binance is like the number one place for XRP trades, even though there's more open on the Bybit side. But yeah, I think we're looking good. I mean, the 12 hours, it's 7.87 long versus 6.71 million short. The 4 hour, we got 4.35 long versus 4.29 million short. If you go back and look at when I first started the stream, this was completely flipped. Then the longs right now for the 24 is 11 versus 8. So I mean, I don't know. To each our own on how we want to look at this, but I mean, I'm still very positive with what tomorrow's going to bring. People are there's more longs than there are shorts, so that's all I care about. Austin, check out the community said RSU since yesterday on Coinbase. Check out much community sentiment rise. Yeah, a lot, Greg. A lot of people are pumped. I'm gonna go on a limb here and say at 3.4 XRP at 24 hours. What is your guess, Oz? Dude, I just want to get past this 250. Let's just get past this 250 so I feel better about myself. Gosh, I just wanted to get over that. Thoughts on Sol? Yeah, I like Sol a lot, dude. A-Team, our caffeine's in the house here. What's up, buddy? The fees aren't too bad on the wallet if you have Coinbase One. Yeah, that's true. They're not that bad, Dan. I would agree. But still, you get charged a fee for it. I have so many coins on Binance Trust Wallet. Really? Damn. Austin, the volume bars you have is known as the RVP, the volume range profile. It's how much total volume in that range with the shown range. Yeah, so it's across this level, right? It's not like 1 hour. It's across the whole level here. So, it's volume that was traded at this level across all bars. Good to see you, Bernie. Bernie, my TA expert. He's the A-Team TA expert. just kidding. Appreciate you being here, buddy. It's good to see you, dude. The volume on some make me feel like they're manipulating the price. They probably are. There's probably a lot of manipulation on the price. So let's not discredit that. You think Sol will hit $300 in the next year? Oh yeah, Hank. I mean, yeah, there's a lot of positive sides to Sol. I mean, even if they get an ETF, dude, just imagine if they get an ETF, how much volume will come in on that. Getting cheap now before the crying. Yeah, and imagine when XRP gets an ETF. You saw what happened with Bitcoin. I mean, it literally has grown so much with that ETF. People's ETFs right now who invested their 401ks in their ETFs have literally doubled. It's gone up 100% in less than a year. Yeah, we're about 10 months in, close to 11 months in. And they've already increased their 401k by 100% by investing in Bitcoin. Their ETF is up 100% since they actually launched Bitcoin. Okay, take that back. It's not exactly 100%. Well, yeah, it started at what, 40? We were at like what, 40? Wasn't it like 40 or something like that? I'd probably have to go back and look, but I think it was like 48,000. So yeah, we're probably right there, dude. Do you have to pay taxes on XRP if you sell it? Yeah, if you sell it, Bernie. Austin has the Ledger X. Yeah. Got this bad boy. That's what I was thinking. Diversifying XRP. Yeah, looking bullish. You pay taxes if you sell it. Yep, 100%. I bought so much Sol just because I love their logo. That's awesome. You don't have to pay taxes on it if you transfer it to me. Yeah, you don't have to. You'll pay. Most likely, you'll actually take a loss because you'll pay fees, right? You'll pay gas, you'll pay fees, so you can actually write down. Coin Tracker will actually track those fees for you, and you can count it as an expense to your overall. Thoughts on DAG? I mean, it's there, dude. A lot of people like DAG, dude. So yeah. What do you think will happen with the price that Asia starts trading XRP? I think a lot of people in Asia probably got the news already. So yeah, it's going to be interesting to see how it plays out. But XRP is going to continue to rise right here. I mean, right now we're at 47. This beginning of this 4 hour is looking pretty good, which means the 1 hour is starting to come back just a little bit. We'll probably come up here and retest this 250 area. We're already at 248, so we'll see if we can reach up to this this next level here. XRD can be massive. I agree. Holy crap, dude. Wow. Ford. Wow, dude. Oh my gosh. Ford just dropped 50 new A-Team memberships over on YouTube. Holy crap, Ford. I don't even know what to say, dude. 50 memberships just got dropped. If you guys got a membership from Ford, he's gonna be listing them all out here in the next it's gonna probably take him an hour to get through 50 people. But thank you so much for dropping 50 new memberships. Anyone out there that is now a new member to the channel, please say thank you to Ford for his gift to you guys. 50 new members. That is insane, dude. Wow. I don't even know what to say to that, dude. So 50 new memberships over here. Holy crap. Thoughts on Casper? Casper good, yeah. And Ford, I couldn't be. Wow, I don't even know what to say. 50. Are you taking XRP for memberships? That's funny. So yeah, if anyone got gifted a membership by Ford, please say thank you to Ford, and I couldn't be more appreciative of that. We got roughly just right now, we got about 1,837 people on YouTube watching, about 195 on X, and 254 over here on TikTok. If anyone wants to know, I do stream on all my stuff over here on YouTube. You can click on my name right here and come over to the YouTube side where I have the graphs shown and we talk about everything over here. Fortunately, I can't share it over here because of the whole Apple thing. So if you want to come over here, that's where all the gifting seems to happen. And that's wow, dude. The chat's going crazy over this 50 gifted memberships, dude. That's insane. Holy crap. So XRP won't be cheap anymore, right? If it was skyrocketed to start tomorrow, yeah, it'll be more and more expensive, dude. More and more expensive, dude. Solana gets me in the green. I'm out. Yeah. What is the best BTC? Dude, the chat is popping fast now. What is the best BTC ETF? There's so many out there, dude. I think there's like, was there 11 of them right now? I think the most I want to say that Grayscale. I think the Grayscale Trust Fund ETF is probably the most popular one. But iShares is pretty big too, which is called iBit. It's on the NASDAQ, so you could look at that one too. Dude, I can't believe that membership gift, dude. That's insane. Wow. Yeah, hit the like button. Appreciate you guys all being here, showing love. Can I pull power from HR and put it into RL? You don't want to do that. RL uses a stablecoin, dude. Use cold storage. Yeah, I use Ledger. We need a 265. We need to go above this 250 mark, dude. This 250 mark's a hard level to get above. Rosette, thank you so much for becoming a member of the channel. You are officially now a member of the A team. And anyone who got gifted a membership by Ford, please say thank you. You guys are all now officially members of the A team. And I honestly couldn't be more excited for you guys. That is wild. That is I was not expecting that today whatsoever. That is crazy. All the love. A ton of you guys have done it, dude. It's crazy. So amazing, so appreciative of it all. Yeah, it's crazy. Let's see here. Yeah, it's wild, dude. Yeah, we can go through the whole thing. I mean, we got, that guy gifting a bunch. We got Trav Schultz. We got we got who else do we got here? Yeah, RTS. We got Selmo Fudd dropping a ton. Christopher Hack, Chameleon, Jacob Brown. Again, Terry dropping a bunch right there. We got Rob Ree. Selmo dropping another 20 on that, right? We got Andrew dropping some with his 5. Yeah. And then now with Ford coming in hot, dude, that's crazy, bro. Yeah, you guys are blessing me a ton. It's insane. Josh Brooks, thanks so much for the £5. Do you think the likes of XRP BTC can mature and not see any more pump and dumps in the future, or is it a crypto forever going massively up and down? Just like any other stock or commodity out there, right? You're going to have your ups and downs with it. People's money's in there. There's large institutional money in there. People are going to play the game, right? And the game is to create new lows to create new highs, or create new highs to create new lows. Like, that is literally the game of trading. And people are going to play the games to the best of their ability. And so, yeah, you're always going to have this volatility. It's never just going to continually rise. I mean, you'll have your ups and downs, why it rises. Like, these are good examples of that. So, yeah, you'll always have that, Josh. This is not, you'll wake up every day. We'll be looking at the same thing, trying to find entry points, trying to find exit points. And right now we're seeing that XRP is getting up to that 249 level right now. I think we're going to retest this 250 level. And I really hope we can break through the 250. This is going to be super exciting if we can do that. So again, Josh, thank you so much for the £5 donation. You guys are fantastic. You think we hit $4? I mean, I just want to get above this 250, dude. I'm stuck on the 250 until we get past there and hold stability above that line. That's where we're at. Yeah, you'd plan on just holding it. Yeah, that's probably not a bad idea, David. And if it hits 10, if XRP hits 10, I'll buy 200 memberships, dude. That's if it hits 10. Oh my gosh, bro. Yeah, I just appreciate you guys. Just any. Yeah, this is wild. What's your opinion, Austin? Do you think XRP will be at the beginning of the year? It's hard to see what's gonna be at the beginning of the year. I mean, I'm hoping we get above. I hope we can find stability in that 290 range, $3 range would be great. But I'll say it again. I just want to get above this 250. This 250 is causing us hell, and I'm ready to break through it. Yeah, dude, that's crazy. What RLUSD is launching? It's launching tomorrow. It's just a stable coin, Braden. Just a stable coin. Exit liquidity. Some people feel that way. Is it you messaging me or scam? Charlie, that's a scam messaging you, dude, bro. Don't click on that. I wouldn't be sending DMs like that. HBAR is going to be massive. Yeah, HBAR is hanging in there, right? I'm up just a tad bit from my trade last night, so 248. What's up, Franco? Yeah, that was cool. That was super cool, dude. That was super cool. Do you think $4 this week? Yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Tomorrow's gonna be an interesting day. All I gotta say is I'm here for it, dude. I'm ready. Yeah, I might just wake up at like 6 a.m. and start streaming, dude, and just stay streaming until it launches. I don't. I'm not. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I don't know if I'm gonna do that, but yeah, I'll be available tomorrow. There you go. Yeah, pissed off puppy. There you go. Yeah, 5-minute volatility. Everything looks good. This is just the 1 hour too. 4 hours probably looking good too. Yeah, look at that. Look at the 4 hour, dude. I mean, you can't argue with the 4 hour right here. 4 hours looking really nice. Even the RSI is looking super nice. The 12 hours looking really nice on that. In the day chart, we're finally starting to come out of this, dude. We might actually break the 20 with the day, the RSI on this on the day right there. That'd be nice, right? So yeah, let's see if we can break back above this and retest it. That's our goal. 2.5 coming. I think so too. 7450. You think RLT will pump to 289 tomorrow? Trent, whoa, that'd be wild, right? That'd be wild. Let's see here. I gotta see what Bernie sent me something. I gotta see what he said here. Let's see here. Heard a Swift. Okay, let me see what you hear. I'm not gonna hold you for it, but I'm gonna take a look at what Bernie just sent me. My TA expert, the A team expert here on TA. So he said, let's see here. 0.23, 3.2. Oh, dang. That's what you think it's going to get to? All right. Dang. Yeah, he's showing okay. I won't put it out there. I won't put it out there. Don't hold me to it. I won't put it out there. But that's showing good, dude. It's showing it's basically he's saying that it's positive. Bernie's telling me it's positive. At least that's what I'm getting from it. Any advice on setting aside gains for preparation for tax season? All the time, dude. You should be paying your quarterlies. If you're gonna be making, if you think you're gonna be making a lot of money, I would highly advise that you pay quarterlies, dude. Even if it's like $1,000, $500, send money over to. I know you don't want to do that, but it's like it will alleviate so much headache if you just pay your quarterlies. If you're making a lot of money in crypto or doing something else, pay your quarterlies to the IRS. Pay your taxes. I know people want to try to avoid those things. Do not avoid paying taxes with the IRS, dude. It will haunt you, dude. Whether that's 1 year down the road, 2 years down the road, 10 years down the road, it's going to haunt you. Pay your taxes and pay your quarterlies. 589 tomorrow. Everyone's saying, hey, should we make a, that's why I should go make a video tomorrow saying 589 question mark, 589 question mark. And then people are like, you're clickbaiting. How many 589 videos coming out today? Let's put a poll. How many 589 videos coming out today? I want to hear what everyone says. What's the how many 589 clickbait videos are coming out today? I just might go make a clickbait video now, just for 589. But at least when I made the 589 video, I tried to justify jokingly, like I tried to justify how we could get there. So there's that at least, right? It's not just throwing some pie in the sky. I wonder what the global RLUSD will launch. They said it's probably going to be in the billions, dude. Thoughts on Graft? Graft is not bad. ASMR fan, 85.3. I'd say I'm 85% positive. Damn, bro, really? All right, Bernie. All right, Bernie. Bernie's got me all hyped up now. God damn. Pay at least a year tax liability to stay away from unemployment. Yeah, exactly, dude. You gotta pay your taxes, dude. Austin, if you can get to 0.22 for the next 30 days, let's pray. Yeah. Let's keep doing it, right? 0.22 for the next 30 days. That's $10. Mama AA, I'm with you. Coinbase is bugging. Tried to trade some XRP 15 minutes ago and it won't let me. Really, Miss Spellman? Dang. Are you here in the United States? XRP will not be taxed. Yeah, of course I joke about ROC pumping to 589, but last bull run, stablecoin supposed to be pegged to Japanese yen, ended up pumping on Coinbase, and they had to remove and reverse transactions. That is true, dude. I remember that. That was pretty wild. I think Coinbase is manipulating the price. They're holding price back. You think they're holding the price back? It's 249, dude. We're already we're gonna be we're retesting it right now. It's at 249.30, dude. We're gonna retest this. Here it goes. It's starting to get there, dude. Starting to rise. We'll see if we can break through this 250 level again. RLUSD drops tomorrow. Yes, it does. I'm staking 25% of the gains into Peg coin. All right, getting that APY in. Ripple making me give XRP double for who? Yeah, Matthews, don't do that. What do you think it's going to go back down to? I'm just trying to hope that we get above the 250 and stay above 250. That's really what I want, but we'll see. Every time it hits the 250, we get above there and it rises and it sort of hangs out and then it comes crashing back down. So just trying to get above the 250 and stabilizing is what we want. We want to break through that level and create a new level. That's what we really need to do. So just how we created a level at the 240 range, we have a really strong level at 240. We need to create that at 250 now so that we can actually then move on to the next level. What's your price prediction this week? It's so tough, dude. The volatility is too much, dude. Throwing out a number would be nuts. Like I said, I just want to I want to create some nice stability above the 250 mark. What was that? It's called Coin Tracker. Coin Tracker is what it is, Timothy. Can you buy silver and gold with crypto? Good question. I don't know if you can or not. Austin, thanks for becoming a member of the channel finally. You are officially now a member of the A team, and I appreciate that a ton, dude. Welcome. And yeah, thank you very, very much. Yeah, we're testing it right now, dude. 249.79, 249.83. I read today, Chair Trump, that XRP will not be taxed. I think he's saying that XRP Ripple, like the business, if they bring in, any company that brings in billions of dollars, they're not going to be taxed, right? That was the whole goal. Don't want to pay more. Don't want to pay more than $1. Yeah. Coinbase orders won't go through. Just tried to buy slot. Really? Dang. Yeah, maybe they're bogged down, dude. I mean, things are pumping. You got Bitcoin hitting all-time highs. You got Ethereum that's reaching. It's doing really, really well. You got XRP that's very volatile. What should happen after the 2.5 mark? Well, Vin, the whole goal is to get. I mean, we've been hitting resistance at the 250 mark, and so we can't. You can see right here. I mean, this was Friday. We hit it, got rejected, came down. Today we hit it, got rejected, came down. So now the goal is we want to go through this, right? So or we stay low right here. This wouldn't be bad if we stayed at this 249 and built a nice little line of support right here. I'd be okay with creating this new level of support right here at this 250, 249 range and then broke through at the 250 because this level of support is just a tough level. It's shown that on the chart. The chart's showing us the 250 is a tough level. I pissed off with algo going sideways for too long. That's how ADA was for me, song and dance. ADA was the same way for me. I had a really hard time with ADA just because it was just trading sideways for so long. We got roughly about 1,930 people in here watching on YouTube, about 212 on TikTok, or 212 on X, and 283 here on TikTok. Yeah, appreciate you guys all liking the stream. Appreciate you guys liking the screen over here on TikTok, and just being here to show support. So thank you very much. CS, thanks so much for the $5. Will HBAR have any effect from the stable coin coming out? Probably not. Unless they want to use, unless HBAR uses RLUSD as the stable coin for their hashgraph. I mean, which they could, and they would just be wrapped in. Anytime someone converted over to the stable coin, they would wrap it in HBAR, which wouldn't be bad. Be bad. So yeah, maybe that does happen. That'd be super cool. Any good stable coin to be used is good. Oh, Anthony, so what makes a candle short and long? So really, I mean, if you want to know more about the candles, you can look it up. But really, you got where the high price is. So you got this. This is an hour candle here, right? So down here is obviously the low price on that hour. Then you got what the price actually opened at. So we know the price opened at 247.46. It went down, hit a low in this hour at 247.12. And then right now we're currently, this is where the close price would be. So this will obviously fluctuate throughout the hour of the close price. And this is like the high in that hour. So that's where all these candles are. So you can see right here, the high in this hour, which was back on at 9 o'clock, the high was 254. And then, now you have the open price, and now you have the close price, and then you have the low. So that's what happened on these ones right here. Yeah, that's kind of how to look at it. So yeah, just go look up and then it's all based off the volume coming in and stuff like that too. So yeah, just go look at it. They're pretty easy. What do you think about the ballpark? What do you think the ballpark? Oh, you're saying numbers wise? I just 250. 250 is where I'm at right now. I'm new to crypto. How does tax work regarding this? I live in the UK. Well, UK is a little bit differently. If you buy your crypto and you sell it, you're going to pay short-term gains. If you buy your crypto and you hold it for a couple of years, you're going to pay a long-term gains tax. Here in the United States, there's a big difference between short-term gains and long-term. My short-term gains like 35%, 33 to 35%. For my short terms. My long term is right around 13%. So you have to hold it for more than a year. And then you just pay. So if you take profits on top of it, you'll pay based off of that. And I just pay my taxes every year. And again, if you have realized gains, you can take them against your losses. And again, you can only go up to a certain amount on your losses. So it's every year you can roll over more losses. So I'm still rolling over losses from whenever I took hits before. So you pay for converting to crypto as well. Yeah. So if you convert it from like XRP to Ethereum, you'll pay for that based off what the SEC and the IRS are wanting out there. Any idea about Doge? Is it moving? I think a lot of altcoins, too much money is going into Bitcoin right now. Anytime you have a lot of money going into Bitcoin still shows the dominance. And so you have money that's leaving altcoins going into Bitcoin. When Bitcoin starts to trade a little sideways or go down in price, that means that money is now leaving Bitcoin and going into altcoins. So that's typically what you'll start to see. So usually when Bitcoin's pumping, altcoins usually stay flat and or fall. So just realize that. That's usually how it works. Is there a coin tracker website for Canada? Good question, Michael Johnson. I have no idea. This 1 minute chart gives me, do not look at the 1 minute chart. 1 minute chart's too much. If it's in the United States, product will not be taxed. Yeah, that's right, Eric. Yeah, if it's a United States product, it won't be. That's pretty crazy to think, right? I'm calling RLUSD to $1 by tomorrow. Yeah, RLUSD will be $1 tomorrow for sure, and it will be $1 in 5 days, 10 days, 5 years, 10 years. So that makes sense. I appreciate you explaining that. Hey, no problem, big truck. Let's go XRP. Yeah, we're 249.20 right now, so we're slowly. Like I said, if we could even build a level of support like right here around the 248. 249 area and just keep building this out for the next couple hours, if not the day, I would be okay with that, because I want to bust past this 250 and not look back. That's my goal. This 250 has been giving me a headache. Do you anticipate BlackRock or Grayscale falling for a fart ETF? Maybe, dude. That fart coin ETF is popping right now. It's all over CNBC. I think Austin was in yesterday. I was here yesterday. I was at work yesterday. Were you guys here? Just kidding. Just kidding. You need to draw some diagonal lines. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty basic on what we're looking at right here. I mean, yeah, if we were probably pulling it out, looking at the, I think we're, I don't know, I'm not pulling out. I mean, I'm not going to do any diagonal lines right now. What do you know about SBI buyback? I don't know if I know enough about that. How are free crypto rewards taxed? Well, I mean, typically here, if you get something like if you get something given as a gift, if it's over a certain price, I think you have to pay, but I don't know the taxes on that one. Brandon, thank you so much for the 199. If you had 10 grand to spend, what is it? Better ETH or BTC? I'm putting in BTC, dude. I wouldn't even hesitate. That's not even a hesitation. Josh, thanks again for the £2. If XRP had a red candle, what would the cent be? Oh, if we kept going down? Well, I just think that we would probably have a we would still be playing this battle right here. This anywhere from 240 to 235 would be our battle. You can see we battled this a lot, right? This area, we've built a lot of support right here. Look at this, from 243 down to 239. There is massive support right here. So we've just built this over the weeks. You can see, look at all the level right there. This whole area. That's like this channel is crazy. Now we just got to get above this level and get to this new level right here and break through this 250, which you can see right there. That's just again, looking at it, just pie in the sky. How taxes on crypto work? Yeah, the Canada one, I don't know how it works, dude. Did you see the tweet about XRP being used? I did not see that, GG. Go long. I predict XRP will go up and down. Follow me for more financial advice. Trey Nelson. That's actually pretty good. I like that. The XRP tree still shaking a lot, but we are holding on. Yeah, and you could see earlier today. I mean, the shorts have there's more longs now than shorts. Originally, there was a lot more. Look at that. Look at the 4-hour chart. Went from a 3.69 down to a 1.58. If I went back to the beginning of this, that was completely flipped. That was like 6 million in shorts, 3 million in longs. So the longs have stayed. 12-hour, we're at 7.7 million. And again, this is just on Binance. So and then on longs, I mean, we're on the 24-hour. We have 11 million in longs, 9 million in shorts. Dude, that's the longs are outweighing the shorts right now, which I guess you could say is for me, that's kind of a positive bullish sign. But wait till these things out. You could still sell your long early. So predictions from now till February, corrections, BTC to 90K, support 1.8 to 1.4. You think so, Americo? Can you use it at a dealership? Maybe soon. We'll see. Let's see here. Need to make 1.4 million to tax to save $1 million. Yeah. The government is trying to take control of the crypto market through XRP. They very well could, man. That's probably not a bad way to do it if you're going to do it. They're also doing it through Bitcoin too, right? But yeah, you got to create a vehicle to be able to move Bitcoin fast. So if you have XRP to move Bitcoin fast, I mean, that's what you want. So what do you use with CB? Shits the bed. Decentralized exchange, Miss Spellman. Did a deep dive into Farcoin. Conclusion: something stinks. You guys are wild, dude. Do XRP Rlusd get into $1,000 or more? I mean, based off, if you want to look at market cap, which is a fair way of looking at it, it could be tough. Yeah, but if some people are saying market cap doesn't matter, so if you believe that, then anything's on the table at that point. Josh, thanks again for the $2. Know the smell of a real candle from XRP. Appreciate the two pounds, man. Thank you very much. Austin, read it again. A candle scent smelling. You guys are wild, dude. You guys are wild. Yeah, they take tax out of exchanges every time you withdraw. Do they really? Dang, I didn't know that. That's kind of crazy in Canada. Why buy a Lambo and waste your money? Buy a Honda and then you can go fishing more. True. I don't get the Lambo thing. Is that I don't get what the Lambo thing is. I never have. That's like I don't know if that would not be my purchase. I would not buy a Lambo. I don't get that. I guess maybe it's more just a flex, right? So where can you purchase the RLUSD? It's gonna be on Frankie. It's gonna be on exchanges most likely. You'll be able to do it on Ledger too. So you'll be able to do it on like the Ledger. McLaren is better. Yeah, McLarens are nice, but still, I'm just like I don't get the sports car thing. I think it has to be just a flex thing. Wow, Austin, thank you for being the on the beat with the chat. Super helpful. I can make better decisions now. Thank you. Oh, appreciate that, Ray. Yeah, no, that's awesome, dude. Do you think actual start of tomorrow trading gives a price boost? It very well could, man. Like I said, I think if we get past this 250, we'll be in for one. Get a new Corvette or a Mustang. I still don't know if I would do that. I don't know why. Cybertruck. Austin stuck on money, not sense. Ooh, Anthony coming in hot. Anthony coming in hot. A new Camry. Yeah, see, we're already looking. We're looking past the Lambos right now. We're looking at minivans and stuff. Answer the question. What scent is an XRP candle? I have no idea, dude. I guess the smell of money. I don't know. I don't know. What is the scent of an XRP candle? Appreciate the $2 donation. I have no idea what it is. If you drive $100,000 truck, you shouldn't say bad things about sports cars. No, I'm just saying I don't get this. I don't personally like. I mean, I don't live in an area. I don't get the sports car thing, personally. And trust me, a Lamborghini is not $100,000. A good Lamborghini is like $500,000. Like we're talking a half a mil. All right, 250 to a half a mil. And yeah, trust me, I really like my truck. I actually got it when I sold my business. That's when I got the truck, and yeah, I love it. I love it. Don't get me wrong, but I just I guess that's where maybe because I'm a truck guy, so I don't the sports car thing is just not my thing. But yeah, that's kind of what it is. No need for a Lambo in Montana. Yeah, I wouldn't be able to drive. I'm in Washington State, dude. There's no way there's no way I could drive a Lamborghini, even if I wanted to. I'd be getting rock chips on it. It would kill me, dude. I couldn't do it. There's no way. Austin, could we take a look at Solana chart for a second? Yeah, I'll pull it up real quick for you. Yes, dude, Solana's come down pretty hot, dude. This is on the day chart. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. 4-hour charts. Yeah, so Solana is looking a little bearish. To be honest with you, Solana is a little bearish right now. So this is actually a very bearish indicator. You can see right now that the 10-day EMA has far exceeded that of the 100-day EMA on the 4-hour chart. So that's actually, and in the 12-hour, let's look at the 12-hour. Yeah, it's starting to come down. So this actually is a bearish. This is bearish, right? So you would actually try to find there's a lot of shorting going on. So you would pull you'd reverse your Fibonacci because this is in a downtrend. We're on a downtrend. You can see right there, we created a high, create a low, create another high for another low to another high to then another low to a high. And now this will continue to create a low, and your goal is to try to find, so your next line of support, because look at these gaps right here, right? Fill these gaps. See how big that gap was? It's coming down and filling that gap. These gaps got filled. Dude, so your next line of support is probably, dude, like 177, dude. But it's got to break through this next line down here, which is a pretty good level of support here at this 218. 218. This will be a hard level to break through. So hopefully it starts trading sideways, and then we get a nice little positive bounce back. But yeah, we got to break out of that. Somehow we got to create some resistance here to break out of that for Solana. But yeah, that would be a bearish trend right there for sure. Would you just keep a RAV4? Yeah, might as well, dude. Gift taxes are the receipt. The giver still has to pay the tax. Oh, really? Is that how it works? Ford Raptor would be legit. Imagine the kind of guy. Oh my God, Ty. That's funny, dude. Western Washington is kind of high end sports cars. Yeah, you get up to Bellevue, there's nice up there. I just don't know why they drive it, dude. I mean, the rock chips, all that kind of stuff is wild. They salt the roads. They put sand down. I would not drive. I mean, you can only drive in the summertime. So, but that kind of defeats the purpose of a vehicle, right? I mean, you can only drive it for 3 months out of the year. That's kind of wild. Let's see here. What is a good platform for purchasing RSLUD? It's probably any of the exchanges are probably going to have it. DJ, don't buy RLUSD. Yeah, it's a stable coin. There's no reason to buy it. I'm buying the most ugliest ride. That way, no one thinks I got money, dude. That's probably the way to go. XRP real. That's what I was saying. The people are all flaunting their rings and their chains and their earrings and their watches. I'm like, that's just too much. I mean, like, that's just too much. Like I said, I don't know if I want to draw that much attention with all the crazy. There's a lot of crazy people out there, dude. That's the last thing I'd want to do. I want to be a millionaire. Hey, we're on our way, Americano. We're on our way. Damn, yeah, I saw your comment and tried to buy 100 worth of XRP, and you were right. I haven't got it yet. Oh, really, Jess? Dang. Crypto's tax free in Germany if you hold it for at least a year without moving. Dang, that's cool, Sammy. That's really cool. I didn't know that. How much? I mean, it's tough to say in that. I think just getting your toes wet. I mean, 30 million, 100. I mean, 100,000 XRP. I mean, yeah, I think you're on your way for sure. I think you're on your way for some good life changing stuff. Like having a pool in New Jersey can only use 4 months a year. Yeah, that's. I mean, yeah, we talked about building a pool, and I'm like, dude, that would suck here. Like, you'd be able to use it for 3 months, and then it sits there, and all the maintenance associated with it. No way. Brandon, thanks so much. Sorry, last question. How much would 10 G's be worth at 1 million? Oh, so you're saying if you bought 10 grand? Are you saying? Oh, what? I guess 10 grand worth of what? Oh, so like how much would XRP have to be for your 10 grand to turn into 1 million? Is that what you're asking me, Brandon? I think I got what you're asking me. Life savings. Thanks so much for the $2. Tell us again how wild we are. I'll tell you all the time, dude. You guys are nuts. The chat gets wild. That's what I'm saying. Thanks so much for the $2. Yeah, guys. Otherwise, everyone would just give their cousins all their money. Buying Aston Martin. I do see a lot of Maseratis around here. That's for sure. There's a lot of Maseratis. So now XRP is coming back down. So it looks like we hit some resistance here. Let's actually look at the one. Let's look at the 1 hour. Yeah, we're starting to come down slightly here again on the 1 hour. Like, so we'll probably be this 45 range again. We're going to battle this 45 level, which is pretty good level of support. But yeah, you can see we got up here again, coming down, almost back up here at the opening at the 249, come back down to current price. So yeah. Just go to the beach. So move to Germany, Portugal. Yeah, move somewhere out of here. Math is hard. What, I forgot what he asked. Which one do you where do you want me to go? Was it the what was the question again? Ultimately, if XRP makes me a millionaire, I will most likely blow it all in Thailand. Oh my gosh, Josh. Think XRP increase in price do too fast to handle? That'd be nice if I could just do that, right? My wife is sick of hearing about XRP. She's like, you're like, hey, honey, XRP. She's like, I don't want to hear it. So what was the question? Did Josh did I give him, I don't know what the question was. Do you want to know like how to turn your $10,000 into $1 million? Like where would XRP have to be? Is that the question? I want to make sure that's the question. How do you think XRP FOMC is going to turn out? I think it's going to turn out great, Austin. FOMC means probably going to be good. Finally hit that with XYO after missing polymath. Okay, you hit with the XYO. All right. That's awesome, Ike. Thanks so much for the $2 donation, Ike. Appreciate that a ton. Dude, that's cool. You hit it with the XYO. I know you were saying last night that you missed the polymath jump, so that's good to see. I have a Ford F-150 extended cab. Love the truck, but the engine's about to go. Yeah, I ended up that's song and dance. I ended up trading in my Ford because they just didn't treat me well in the Ford. They were just having issues with the engines for sure. Yeah. This 1 minute charts hurts my soul. Any thoughts on Flare? Yeah, we like Flare, dude. I own Flare. Flare is going to continue to do, it's down a little bit right now, but I think it'll continue to do well. Sorry for BTC. Oh, so if you put $10,000 into BTC, how are you going to get? So let's just do the math. Well, if you put 10,000 in today, a 10x would put Bitcoin at $1 million. So that would turn you into 100,000. So you'd have 100. You turn your 10,000 into 100,000 if Bitcoin hit $1 million. So there's that. If it were to turn into, so then you take it and you go, okay, so how do I get to $1 million? Then Bitcoin would have to probably be worth $10 million for you to turn your $10,000 into $1 million. Is if Bitcoin was worth $10 million per Bitcoin. So I think that's the right math if I had to think about it. So yeah. And Michael Saylor says he believes in he believes by like 2035 that Bitcoin's going to be worth 13 million per coin. So again, is that true? I don't know, but that's pretty wild. 1 Bitcoin or 50K BTC. I mean, like I said, my largest holding is Bitcoin right now, and Bitcoin's outperformed all the markets. So it's hard to go against Bitcoin at the moment. But like I said, XRP is right there with me. I mean, XRP is my 3rd largest holding, and I'm happy either way. I like waking up and seeing it all in the green. So TJT, Michael, best of scammer of life. Process of money, guys. Study. Where do you think Avalanche will go? Avalanche is a strong blockchain. You know what I mean? I think it's going to do well. ETF will, the ETF will help pump XRP. True. That is true. Your money doubles every time price tokens goes up 100%. Yeah. So, but it gets harder and harder and harder to 100x your investment the higher it goes, right? So Bitcoin becomes harder and harder and harder to do that. But yeah, I mean, right now it's at $100,000. It'd take to get to $1 million, it'd be a 10x. So if you put $100,000 in right now and hit $1 million per coin, you'd be sitting at, like I said, $1 million, which is kind of crazy, right? Awesome. Do you take profits out regularly? Only on not on my long-term bags. I've held for quite a while. But I do have short-term bags where I invest and play around with and stuff like that. So I do. Like I have an H bar bag right now that's slightly down that I put a little bit on. So we'll play that one out, and when it comes back up, it's down 4% right now. But when it goes back up, we'll play the game and take some profits for sure. A lot of people like Beam. I don't own Beam, but a lot of people do like Beam. So fan loves tacos. Man, tacos are good. So it's like 10 extra investment doubles, then 10x for the 10. Yeah, that's right. Cap thrown. So really, if it goes up from $10 to $100, that's a 10x, right? Because you turned your $10 into 100. You've turned your $10 into 100. That's a 10x. And then if that $100 goes to 1,000, you just 10x it again. So you just turned a investment into a 20x. You turned your $10 into 1,000. So it's kind of how you look at it. Or I guess that would be more. That'd be like 100x. Yeah, it'd be 100x. You turned it into 100x at that point. If you did that, it'd be 100x. Bro, what do you think about Beam? Yeah, I just answered that. 4-hour candle struggle. Yeah, we're this 4-hour struggle. Is the 4-hour candle struggling right now? Yeah, I got a little hit right there. It's okay. The 4-hour just started. This is the first hour of the 4 hours. So greetings, brother. I have a question. I invest my $300 in crypto when I should drop the money in XRP at best. Yeah, to tell you when to drop it in there, I don't know, man. We've been trying to find good entries all last week as well. So yeah. But just give everyone a heads up. I'm probably going to get off here in about 6 minutes. I'm going to wait for this chart to turn over here. It's about 1:00 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I gotta eat. I haven't eaten today. And we're gonna wait for this hour to turn over. I want to see what happens here when the hour turns over, and then we'll go from there. So you just want to give everyone a heads up on here. I don't want to shut down like overnight or just instantly. When was the last Bitcoin halving? It just happened, dude. It happened in January. We just had a Bitcoin halving, so we'll have another 4 years for the next Bitcoin halving. I think tacos. Yeah, you guys are the best XRP entry was a year ago. Yeah, the best one was 2022 at 30 cents for me. I think that was like the lowest of the low in that cycle. So yeah, you got to think about that. My opinion is that this will be the last year we'll be able to buy under $3. You think so, Runkle? That'd be awesome. I'm cool with that. I'd support that. Being under last time you could buy under $3. No rest for the wicked. Right, Ethan? It's nearly 1 a.m. here. Was going to go to sleep for work in the morning, but XRP is going to 5. Josh. Oh, you're funny, dude. It's 4 p.m. in Ohio. Yeah, that's about right. XRP stream tomorrow, 18. Yes. And like I said, tonight I might hop on tonight, and do a stream tonight like I have been lately. If I don't, I'll definitely post it to my X account. So if you guys don't know, you can follow me down below. It's at Awesome Austin on X. And I'll be, like I said, I could come on tonight. It all depends on how tonight sort of plays out here. Don't ever want to make promises and then not show up. So think of that. Yeah. 247.53. It's actually coming for the first hour right there. It's not looking too bad for the 4 hour. If H bar goes up, Austin will be on tonight 100%. If H bar goes up, we'll be locked in, ready to go. H bar sitting at about roughly 236. So yeah, I'm probably a couple $100 down right now for H bar just on the day, just on the swing trade for that. Yeah, but XRP is definitely carried my bag for sure. He said follow down below. Yeah. Yeah, right there you can see down below. Awesome Austin. Follow me on X. That's where I usually post if I'm not going to be on a stream or if I'm going to be on stream. What do you think of XRP do tomorrow? I don't know what's going to do tomorrow, but I'm here for it, dude. I'm literally here for it. And if it goes down, if it's a buy the rumor, sell the news event, then so be it. I just know through time XRP is going to continue to deliver. So, and we're so early with XRP that it doesn't really matter to me. So I think it want to fall and buy back. It's tough to tell, dude. We're trying to build. I hope we build a new level right here at this 247, 248 mark, and then we can tomorrow break through and into above the 250. So, Brandon, thanks so much for the $5 donation. I also heard that if Bitcoin reaches 1 million, ETH will be around 100K. Would that be true? When the whole market shifts up like that, it's going to bring everything up with it. Okay. So, I mean, even if Bitcoin were to reach that level, everything's going to rise with the market. That's always how it is. The tide's going to rise. If the tide falls, everything else falls with it. Right. So, think about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is like the tide. And when Bitcoin goes up, the market goes up. When Bitcoin goes down, the market goes down. It is, they are closely tied together. XRP is a lifetime investment. It's only going to go up. Yeah. I'm not even, these day trades and the stuff is just for fun. The long-term investments there. So even if it were to come back down to 230, dude, if it came back down to $2 tomorrow, I'd be like, it's okay, it'll come back. And the reason why is because my long-term bag tells me so. So is HBAR competing for the same utility space? No, they're competing two different utilities, dude. One's working for institutions, which is XRP, to move institutional money. HBAR is looking more for microtransactions, like being able to trade, buy things at a convenience store, like that kind of stuff, like microtransactions, person to person, stuff like that. Aloha from Maui. See you tonight, Austin. All right, pissed off puppy. Appreciate that. Yeah, go spend some time on the beach. That sounds amazing. I bet you it's like so nice over there right now. 7x from where you bought at would put you $1 million, $10,000 investment. Yeah, it would put you a $10,000 investment. If you 7x, that puts you about $70,000. H bar is also a layer one. Yes, I said F it. Started buying at 238 and under. There you go. Yeah, so you're up right now, then, dude. You're sitting pretty right now. You're probably up roughly. If you bought at 238, yeah, you're up about 4% on your investment. Not bad. I can't bring myself to buy BTC. Just seems overvalued. Yeah, a lot of people say that, and it just keeps going up, right? Luke, I'm sorry, dude. I'm sorry. What about JetBull? I don't know if I know what that is, William. All right, we got about 1 minute. We got about 1 minute before this chart changes. Again, should a person have multiple bags of same coin? Yeah, I keep ours. I usually, like I said, I don't keep all my eggs in one basket. I move them so that if something gets compromised, I have a backup for a lot of things. That's just my OCD-ness of owning crypto for the years. And so yeah, I'll separate things that I hold for a long term versus things that I move around and shuffle through. So yeah, that does happen. All right, so we just hit the next hour here. Let's go to the hour chart here. We did end that in the green. Oh, nice, dude. We had a little that's like kind of like a little bit of a doji candle right there. So it's undecided at this market. Right now, we're undecided at this hour of where the price should go. Um, Usually coming off of a bull signal or a bear signal like that on the 3 hour, this is going to be interesting to see how this plays out. It's probably that's probably more bullish right there than anything, but to each our own. We'll see what this next hour brings. But yeah, there you have it, dude. We're gonna hopefully pick up this next in this next hour right here. We start to see it go up. It's already starting to go back up to 247, 248. So with all that, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Like I said, I might come back on tonight. I don't know. We'll see. I'll let everyone know. But this is starting to rip right now. We'll see if we can get above to that 250 again. So keep watching the chart. We'll see you guys potentially tonight. Hope you guys have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for all the donations, hanging out, kicking it, all the questions. And yeah, with all that, hope you guys have a fantastic one. We'll see you later. Peace out, everyone. Adios, TikTok.